कांग्रेट्स ब्रो, काफी क्रेजी। 10 लाख रुपए से 15 करोड़ इन व्हाट 3 इयर्स।
Yeah.
कितना बड़ा मार्केट है?
Market size bread का इंडिया में between 8,000 to 10,000 crores. Britannia happens to be the largest, 800 to 1,000 crores in breads, and we're almost a fourth of that. We changed India, man, single-handedly.
आइडिया क्या था? व्हाइट ब्रेड इज नॉट द बेस्ट फॉर यू, तो मैं कुछ अच्छी ब्रेड बनाऊंगा।
ब्रेड अच्छी बनाना है, खुद के लिए बनाना है। जब भी मैं 4 से 6 स्लाइस ब्रेड खा के जा रहा हूँ, मम्मी पापा बोल रहे हैं कि हर रोज सुबह ब्रेड क्या लगा रखा है, रोटी सब्जी खा के। So I realized ये हाउसहोल्ड प्रॉब्लम है। 2016 there was no protein wave.
तब से व्हाइट ब्रेड ही बिकती थी अमेज़न इंडिया में।
हाँ, और the so called brown bread, brown by nature of color.
उस पे आएंगे।
ये प्रोटीन ब्रेड ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट कहाँ से आया? So we spoke to 5 people: busy professional, a gym goer, a mother who was mine, a nutritionist, and a child. We got a lot of answers saying we're consuming bread because we have no alternate. It's a quick snack and you can do so many things with it. कोई बोल रहा है bread doesn't have protein, bread lacks fiber, bread is empty calories. So we said okay, let's make protein bread.
पैकेजिंग क्या थी तब?
तो बोले ब्रेड इन अ बॉक्स बनाते। जब सामने वाली की दुकान बंद होगी तो बोलेगा मैं ऐसी चीज रखता हूँ। 1000 पीसेस से जितनी ब्रांडिंग की है, क्योंकि वो घर पे जाता था वो बॉक्स पड़ा रहता था, ब्रेड खत्म हो जाती थी, बॉक्स फिर भी रहता था। उसमें कोई स्टेशनरी डाल रहा है, उसमें कुछ और कुछ रख रहा है, और लोग आके देख रहे हैं, वो बोल रहे हैं व्हाट इज दिस, हे कैन आई आल्सो गेट दिस प्रोडक्ट। आवर कंज्यूमर्स बिकेम एडवोकेट्स एंड स्टार्टेड प्रमोटिंग द प्रोडक्ट। Jan 2020 I'm doing like 10.5 lakhs of monthly revenue, and in Feb I got सब पैसे चले गए। अब फट रही है कि दुकान बंद नहीं। Spoke to my dad, how do I keep it running? And I got a very simple answer. For you, there's love and a house and food to eat, not money. I never asked you to start this. 2017 till 2022, never crossed 10 lakhs in my life. And suddenly I'm at 35 lakhs.
क्या चेंज हुआ?
बन गया हूँ, वो भी बताऊंगा।
बताओ, यहीं से स्टार्ट करते हैं। टाइम से आप एक मोनोलॉग एमबीए टाइप पे बता दो, मतलब कितना बड़ा मार्केट है, अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, क्या टॉप कंपनीज है, मार्केट शेयर, एंड देन हेल्थ फैक्ट्री उसमें कहाँ आता है, क्या पोजीशनिंग है, इफ यू कैन जस्ट गिव अ मोनोलॉग एंड देन आई विल कीप क्वेश्चनिंग देयर।
Sure. तो मार्केट साइज ब्रेड का इंडिया में ब्रॉडली रिपोर्टेड एनीवेयर बिटवीन 8,000 to 10,000 crores. बट ऑफ कोर्स मेरे को लगता है इसमें काफ़ी कुछ सेक्टर है जो कवर नहीं होता है, राइट? जो इतना अनऑर्गेनाइज भी है, जो कभी रिपोर्ट ही नहीं होता होगा। 8,000 करोड़ का पावर बेट तो बहुत छोटा है इंडिया के लिए, राइट?
20-25 हज़ार टाइप्स।
मैं नंबर नहीं डालूंगा, बट हाँ, डबल हो सकता है, राइट? हाउएवर, हैविंग सेड दैट, इसमें जो रिपोर्टेड नंबर्स लाइक आई सेड, राइट, 8 से 10,000 करोड़ है, उसमें से 55-60% अभी ऑर्गेनाइज की तरफ जा रहा है। एंड ऑफ कोर्स बाकी जो लोकल प्लेयर्स है, सुपर हाइपर लोकल प्लेयर्स, लोकल बेकरीज, वो 3-4 हज़ार करोड़ है, राइट? हैविंग सेड दैट, ये शिफ्ट काफ़ी अग्रेसिवली आ रहा है ऑर्गेनाइज की तरफ, राइट? बिकॉज अवेयरनेस इतनी बढ़ रही है, सबको ब्रांड देखना है, सबको ब्रांड करना है, बिकॉज इट्स एस्पिरेशनल, राइट? सो we're seeing a lot of shift which is happening towards organized as a segment. Within that also we're seeing a massive shift that's happening in the Q-commerce segment. What is surprising is जो सबको लग रहा था ये Q-commerce SEC A+ urban phenomena है, वो आज rural tier 2 cities में भी is picking up really well. Because just think about it, if you had to buy Pringles, Diet Coke, Mars, right, the Mars chocolate, you would have to move to maybe 3 or 4 counters till you get your assortment together. But Q-commerce enables you to do that, right? So we're seeing that as a shift. Within the category also, I think Britannia happens to be the largest.
ब्रिटानिया सबसे बड़ा है। ब्रिटानिया एंड देन हार्वेस्ट गोल्ड है।
Harvest Gold because it's north predominantly. North is a very large market for bread. They play only in the north market, so Delhi, NCR and all of that. Harvest Gold, right? And just because of the size of the population and the geography coverage, it's massive there. So I'd say that the second in line when it comes to brand, but Grupo Bimbo as a whole, which is Harvest Gold and Modern together, would be the biggest.
इंडिया में मॉडर्न सबसे बड़ा है ना? सॉरी, ब्रिटानिया सबसे
Britannia सबसे बड़ा है।
और नंबर 2 पे मॉडर्न प्लस
yes. And in the brand spaces, at least in the new age space, broadly we are also at now a fourth the size of a Britannia. So we've aggressively picked up, right?
Fourth the size of Britannia?
Yeah.
Doesn't Britannia do like 1,500 crores?
No, broadly around 800 to 1,000 crores in breads. And we're almost a fourth of that.
200 crores types.
Yeah.
And modern?
Modern would be at around 450.
Modern plus HG.
I think that would cross 1,000.
तो टेक्निकली ये सबसे बड़े हो गए।
ये सबसे बड़ा
बिम्बो
है।
हर जगह सबसे बड़ा है।
ग्रुप में, yes, group में, yeah, solid FMCG, great distribution.
So ब्रिटानिया नंबर 1, मॉडर्न HG के 2 गए, इनके अलावा और कोई प्लेयर?
English Oven है.
English Oven.
English Oven is a great player. I like the positioning. They've done a very good job. They've entered the market very aggressively. Of course, a lot of them have copied us. We changed India, man. We changed India single-handedly.
तो थोड़ा 2016 जाते हैं.
हाँ.
2016 में क्या हो रहा था, आप क्या कर रहे थे? You are just out of what?
So I'll give you उसके पहले, you know, so that you get how did 2016 happen, right? Finished my BBA in Simbi, post which went to Jakarta, started working in a coal mining company. Realized not up my alley. Came back after 3 months. Started working with a global pharma company in their FMCG side of the world as an assistant to the CEO. एक ही line item मिली थी आयुष. Your job is to get the job done. And during this stint, when I was leaving for work, I was doing 4 to 6 slices of bread every morning.
You're eating, खा रहे थे आप?
Every day. Every I'm a bread. I love bread. Right? So, आज भी, right? कुछ change नहीं हुआ है वो. And when I'm doing 4 to 6 slices of bread, मैं बोल रहा हूँ अभी 2015 है, 2016 आ रहा है अभी, right? And मम्मी पापा जोधपुर से, तो जब भी मैं ये 4 से 6 स्लाइस ब्रेड खा के जा रहा हूँ, ये लोग बोल रहे हैं कि हर रोज सुबह ब्रेड क्या लगा रखा है, रोटी सब्जी खा के जा. And when you move from 2 slices to 4 slices, they'll tell you कितना ब्रेड खाएगा. And then you tell them you're almost 6 feet tall, maybe underweight, that time 56 kgs. Problem क्या है? Right? They'll tell you आज नहीं तेरे को 10 साल बाद पता चलेगा. Right? See how you got a smile on your face, right? These are natural line items जो हर घर में हो रहा है. So I realized ये household problem है. पैसे थे नहीं. अब मैं आ गया हूँ 2016 में, right? तो concept आ गया था कि bread बनाएंगे. Let's revolutionize this as a concept. I think we're one of the first guys who broke into the concept of protein, right? We're the first guys. One of the first guys. Yeah, 2016 there was no protein wave, right? We were the guys who were seeding that. Of course, we had no dollars to say that we're the guys who seeded that. But it began from there. In 2015, 2016, we started seeing global trends move towards that, and we picked that up quickly and we got it to India.
तब से white bread बिकती थी हमारे इंडिया में.
हाँ, और the so-called brown bread जो आज भी बिकती है, right? And, brown by nature of color, but
उसपे आएंगे ingredients products. हाँ.
2016 में conceptualize this as a concept.
बट आइडिया क्या था कि बस कि वाइट ब्रेड इज नॉट द बेस्ट फॉर यू, तो मैं कुछ अच्छी ब्रेड बनाऊंगा. एंड देन वहाँ पे आपने रिसर्च करी, वो कैसे हुआ, लाइक प्रोटीन पे आया कैसे?
फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट वाज ब्रेड अच्छी बनाना है, खुद के लिए बनाना है, राइट? उधर से मेरे जैसे रेप्लिकेट करने एज अ
बट धंधा बनाना था, ये दिमाग में क्लियर था?
यस, बिकॉज मेरे को लगा कि स्केलेबल प्रोडक्ट है, प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी बहुत स्केलेबल है. तरीके से कर लिया, पीएमएफ आ गया, देन यू गॉट बिल्ड, राइट? देन इट्स परसिवियरेंस एंड रेजिस्टेंस टुवर्ड्स market, etc. And then you've got like a clear run, right? You just got to keep working on it. Having said that, ये protein bread as a concept कहाँ से आया, right? पैसे थे नहीं तो market survey, market research कुछ होती नहीं थी. I'm a firm believer जो इर्द गिर्द में सुनने मिलता है, उधर से ही product का know-how मिलता है, right? So we spoke to 5 people: a busy professional, a gym goer, a mother who was mine, a nutritionist, and a child, and said that what is it that you're looking for in this bread, right? Firstly, are you consuming bread or are you not consuming bread? We got a lot of answers saying we're consuming bread because we have no alternate. Had we had, we would have switched. But we can't stop right now because it's an integral part of our life.
Easy to eat,
right? It's quick. Morning mein, there's no hustle for the household to go through like a whole buffet of things, and it's a quick snack and you can do so many things with it, right? It's so versatile as a product. And the second line item and the second set of audience was we're trying to get off bread, right? Now between these 5 people, when we studied this as answers, we realized koi bol raha hai, bread doesn't have protein, bread lacks fiber, bread is empty calories, it has chemicals, emulsifiers, it's just devoid of nutrition, right? It's just a carrier of food. And then we said, okay, we're seeing global trends right now. We're seeing brands across the world introducing protein as a macro, which is emphasized. So we said, okay, let's make protein bread. Ayush, my first search on Google was protein bread in India. And guess what? Google को नहीं पता. Right? So I said, ये product नहीं है.
Right? Crazy. 2016.
That's when I said that protein bread in India, when you write on Google and nothing pops up, you're like, wow. If you crack this, you're going to be the first. Don't know how big it's going to get, but you're still going to be the first, right? So that was my inspiration. How did I go about getting this right? I was naive. very honestly, right? So I said, let me find 4-5 sources of protein. I went to Crawford Market. मैं सनपेट के डब्बे खरीदा.
किसके?
सनपेट, वो जो प्लास्टिक कंटेनर्स आते हैं, वो डब्बे खरीदा और मैं उसमें 5 अलग टाइप के प्रोटीन भर दिया. उसको लिखा ABCDE बिकॉज मैं सोचा किसी को बता दूंगा तो शायद वो कॉपी कर लेगा. राइट. हैविंग सेड दैट, मैं आई रीच्ड a house in Tardev on the 23rd floor with this lady who was a baker and she used to give baking classes. And I said, Auntie, मेरे को ये product बनाना है, right? Which she said, डालना क्या है? I said, ये ABCDE डालना है. Ratios of 5 grams आप सबके डाल दो. My first, I think, my interactions always with people have been very optimistic. Fortunately, right? Touch wood. That she said that हाँ बेटा बनाते हैं. I said, इससे आपके प्रोडक्ट में इंटरफेरेंस आएगा? She said, हाँ आएगा, बट देखेंगे क्या आता है. उसके बाद अपन नेक्स्ट स्टेप सॉल्व करेंगे. तो ये 5-5 ग्राम हम लोग ने डाला और प्रोडक्ट आया ऐसा, ब्रिक लाइक, टायर लाइक, राइट? वेरी चूई, रबरी, कुछ प्रोडक्ट ही नहीं. But then that's how my first set of formulation began. And then I started reading extensively, research reports, enzymes, the art and the science behind baking, because as much as it is science, it's also art, because you put your hand in the dough and you know when the dough is done, right? It's just a feeling. I think bread is a feeling. I can't even explain it, right? If you're in the factory with me, eyes closed, I can just go into the machine, put my hand in and I can say, okay, thoda aur mixing lagega. Or I can just pull it out saying, band kar, mixing. Product ready, right? Sorry, drifted away, but got too excited. But having said that, उधर से जर्नी चालू हुई, picked that up, read extensively, ट्रायल्स पे ट्रायल्स.
5 में था क्या वो प्रोडक्ट, मतलब उसके अंदर ABCD में?
वे प्रोटीन, सोय, पी, राइस, मिल्क, ऑल आइसोलेट्स. तो ये सब हम लोग कॉम्बिनेशन बना के सोच रहे थे, राइट? ऑल्सो रीजन बीइंग क्लास ए प्रोटीन्स है. Pea and rice as a combination will form another class A type of protein. And the reason was each protein will have its significant role to play.
और सारे एकदम पत्थर जैसे, कड़क ब्रिक जैसे.
सब ब्रेड्स आ रहे हैं वैसे
500 के 500
सब के सब, राइट? तो कुछ प्रोडक्ट ही नहीं बन रहा है. रिसर्च स्टॉप नहीं किया मैं. आई केप्ट रीडिंग एक्सटेंसिवली. एंडेड अप एट अ फूड फॉर्मुलेशन इंस्टीट्यूट इन दिल्ली. वाज बीइंग कॉन्ड, राइट? फोटोज पे ब्रेड बन रही है, उधर जाओ और ब्रेड बनाओ तो प्रोडक्ट नहीं आ रहा है. So I realized this is not happening. It's just not working out, right? And एक दिन randomly एक email आता है inbox में, जहाँ दिखता है कि food technologists from Holland coming to India. It's a seminar. This is happening now. I'm in early 2016. So I signed up for that. I ended up at that seminar. Coming back to that, this is now 2016, early 2016. And there's this seasoned guy who's talking in English with fancy language and, you know, very technical information, saying this graph, that graph, this is the inflection point, here is the sensory analysis, here is shelf life analysis.
किसके बारे में बता रहा था वो?
FMCG, more so bread and fresh in general products, and just basic, like a lot of these are basics that are applicable across the FMCG sector, right? So
right.
Just learning that, but still going over my head. Decided not to show up because I said I can't understand. And these are here you have top brands of India who are sitting and, you know, asking the right kind of questions, and you don't even understand what's happening, right? So I chose that, you know, fuck it, I won't go. Didn't show up on second day. And this gentleman finds me in the lab doing R&D there. So he said, "What's up? You paid for the class."
Same banda.
Yeah. Why aren't you here? I said, I can't understand what you're saying, right? I'd rather spend my time in just doing more trials. So he said, what's the concept? And I'm like, I want to make protein bread. He said, wow, that's a novel idea. I don't see that globally happening. I'll help you, right? That's the first time I got my direction. So pick that up, wrote me 2 formulations, an extreme high and extreme base. For the first time, Ayush, I thought I had direction in life in terms of the product. Because I said that, oh shit, जो मैं बना रहा था versus look at where we are at.
फॉर्मुलेशन दी थी आपने, यूज करके ब्रेड बनाई?
ब्रेड बनाई.
क्या बना उससे फिर?
Something better than what we were at. Right?
कम पत्थर बना.
कम पत्थर बना. At least product rise हुआ. Product में थोड़ा structure आया. Taste parameters खुलने लग गए. the art and the science started coming together, right? So that worked out really well for me, right?
क्या 2000 क्या चल रहा है?
अब 2016
जुलाई अगस्त टाइप.
जुलाई अगस्त, एग्जैक्टली जुलाई अगस्त टाइप्स, राइट? एंड अब तक मेरा 2015 से जॉब छोड़ के ऑलमोस्ट 1-1.5 साल होने आया है, एंड इतना टाइम, एनर्जी एंड एफर्ट गया है.
तो 1-1.5 साल ने बस ब्रेड बनाने में लगा दिया.
उसके पहले रेलवे स्टेशन बेकरी जाता था, उधर सीख रहा था ब्रेड बनती कैसे, कितने लोग लगते हैं, क्या मशीन का होता है, व्हाट इज हैंड डन, प्रोसेस फ्लो क्या होता है, ऑल ऑफ दैट, राइट? सो आई वाज लर्निंग दैट, backing that with this whole piece that gives me an unlock, and then marrying these two together, and now having a 1,000 square foot facility in Sakinaka, which becomes a manufacturing center.
कब बनाया आपने?
2017 जून.
उसी तो 1 साल आगे आगे, ठीक है, उसमें बाद में आएंगे, बट हाँ.
Yeah.
तो जुलाई अगस्त 2016. हाँ.
2017, now this guy's on board because
क्या
he's
डील
like,
क्रैक करी आपने?
sorry,
क्या डील
I
क्रैक
said I'll take it to market. मैं माल बेचूंगा, मैं माल बनाऊंगा. You help me crack formulation. I will take it to market and we'll start a business out of it. To which he's like, what's in it for me? I said, the day we start selling, I'll give you equity, right? Now for him also, now when I look back and ask him that, hey, you know, equity is, what meaning does equity have when you don't know the size, right? To which all that he tells me is, you've been one of my brightest students. Even then, you were asking me the right questions. You kept pushing. That was one reason. And when secondly, this in itself was a novel idea for me. So it was helping me break my boundaries in terms of understanding formulation. Because you weren't settling. You kept saying, no, it's not working. I actually had to hit a point where I say, I'll execute now versus think. Because how good is the idea in your head versus on the table, right? So I had to execute at some point. But that balance that I was being able to strike with him in terms of logical reasoning is what actually excited him. Saying, chalo, let's go.
So July, August, he's in, and then
November, December, we crack India's first protein bed. Jan 2017, 800, 900 trials, failing miserably, and then cracking the right mix of global ingredients, working with suppliers from across the world, procuring world class, just building a top of the line product. Put it on the global map, it still stand tall.
तो रेसिपी सीक्रेट है या मतलब?
It's within us.
अच्छा, आज भी
it's in house, and that's a premix that we have now. So
अच्छा, तो patented भी होगा वो?
Patented नहीं, we didn't patent it because you still have to disclose to the world, right? Some figures and some values and some ranges, but we said that we'd keep it within the system, and it's well within the system beyond anyone's reach.
तो इतने सारे जो प्रोटीन ब्रेड आजकल आ गए मार्केट में, वो क्या है? वो अपने खुद कर रहे हैं, कॉपी कर रहे हैं?
I love competition, so I love people when they copy, right? Also gives me an edge. First when it actually started happening, right, I shat because I was like, fuck, I don't have the money. And you're talking about national players. But then I realized that time will tell. Let the best product win. We came back, and the best product's winning, right? Like we're leading the space, at least with whenever we're doing something. So we're innovation first. बाकी सब क्या कर रहे हैं? Sure, I'm very well aware of. I don't want to put anyone or pass any comments, but we're far beyond understanding for the user when it comes to technicalities of building the product. Of course, I don't package it in a very clinical scientific format. It has to be consumer facing, but the kind of deep science, deep knowledge that we apply into getting the product right is immense. It's a lot of work, and then when we put the product on the table, it's not 99% ready, it's 100% ready. Because 99% still means it's in the lab. Only till it's 100% ready is when we go to market. And then we take that product and we go deep into the market. So yeah.
तो 2016 end product ready हो गया था?
Yes. अब आया समय जब हम सोच रहे हैं कि कौन सी facility लेंगे, कहाँ लेंगे. How do we get that piece running? Finally cracked that. Got a 1,000 square foot facility, 1,100 square feet facility in Sakinaka. Started उसको जगह को बनाया, पेंट करवाया, प्रोडक्ट फ्लो समझा. जो बेकरी में सीख रहा था मैं, रेलवे स्टेशन बेकरीज पे प्रोडक्ट फ्लो कैसे होता है, इंग्रेडिएंट कहाँ से घुसेगा, एफजी कहाँ से निकलेगा, वो डिज़ाइन किया उसको. वी हैड अ फैसिलिटी, थोड़ी मशीन्स मंगवाई, गॉट दैट प्लेस रेडी.
पैसा कैसा था? रेस किया था अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली?
बूटस्ट्रैप, थोड़ा सा घर से पैसा रेस किया था, इनफ कि दुकान चालू रहे, लाइट के बिल भरते हैं. बट very bootstrap, very hustle first.
पर्पस क्या था आपका 2017 में? बेस्ट ब्रेड बनानी है?
The idea was we got to get the best bread in India.
क्यों? बेस्ट ब्रेड बनाने से क्या होगा?
It's solving for a lot of problems, right? It's solving for those 3 line items, कितना bread खाएगा, right? It's solving for हर रोज सुबह bread क्या लगा रखा है. It's solving for a nutrition first product which is every day on everyone's plate, right? It's getting modified in a way that it can now be consumed without being guilty, right? Now just think about it, just multiply it to the number of houses. It's massive. You're looking at a nation movement, right? You're looking at upgrading lifestyles, you're looking at upgrading nutrition. I think that's a massive thing, right? Back in the day, of course, not everyone knew. It was a cohort of small people. But the way we entered, right, so organically, so beautifully, right? No marketing dollars, no nothing, just hard work, finding our ways into the houses, high repeatability, consumer love, saying, wow, what a product. Toast karoge, so you'll be like, wow, it's top, right? Taste is top, texture is top, nutrition, chalo, byproduct hai, but guess what? It's tasting so good, and it gives me 5 grams of protein in a slice. Wow.
ठीक है, 1100 स्क्वायर फीट का आपने लिया, 2017 में स्टार्ट किया, फिर आपने ब्रेड बनाना शुरू किया. कैसे आई पहली सेल, दूसरी सेल, पहली 100 सेल कैसे आई?
For me it was friends and family. तो अभी प्रोडक्ट आ गया है, जगह आ गई है, अब माल बेचना है. तो मोहित एंड मी, माय को-फाउंडर स्लैश कजन, मोहित एंड मी इन द फैक्ट्री.
मोहित ने कब ज्वाइन किया?
इंसेप्शन से, फ्रॉम कॉन्सेप्ट स्टेज मोहित था मेरे साथ.
अच्छा,
Minus the first phase of R&D, which was 6-8 months. From there, he was with me through and through. Railway station bakery, Mohit had a very important role to play there.
फिर क्या हुआ? आपने माल बेचना कैसे शुरू किया?
So like I said, right? Product आ गया, जगह आ गई. अब माल बेचना है. 3 लोग हैं, मोहित, मैं और एक हेल्पर. Between the 3 of us, manufacturing to cleaning to everything, accounting, operation सब हो रहा है. हम लोग 11 ब्रेड बनाते थे मोहित और मैं.
11 ब्रेड दिन
11 ब्रेड दिन की.
स्लाइसेस?
नहीं, 11 ब्रेड.
अच्छा,
11 लोव्स, 250 ग्राम के लोव्स बनाते थे. और अब 11 ब्रेड भी खाएगा कौन? 2 घर में हम लोग तो खा नहीं सकते. वी सेड चलो फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली को सैम्पलिंग करते हैं. मोहित बाइक चलाता है, मैं पीछे बैठता हूँ, और हम लोग जाते हैं, एक लिस्ट बनाते हैं फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली की, उसके फ्रेंड्स मेरे फ्रेंड्स. ऑफ कोर्स ये डंजो वंजो एंड द अदर डिलीवरी पार्टनर्स को लेवरेज नहीं किया, बट हम दोनों खुद बाइक पे घर घर जाके डिलीवरी कर रहे थे. लाइक लिटरली मैं घर पे जाता था मेरे दोस्त के और घंटी बजाता था. एंड ऐसे नहीं कि मैं उसको बोल रहा हूँ हे व्हाट्सअप आई एम कमिंग होम, राइट? बट आई जस्ट शो अप. आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर गोना बी एट होम, राइट? एंड आई डोंट हैव द लग्जरी ऑफ बुकिंग अपॉइंटमेंट्स विद यू एंड सेइंग हे आई एम कमिंग टू योर हाउस एंड आर यू गोना बी देयर. बट आई जस्ट शो अप. One of the biggest learnings of my life have been just show up. And you got to show up. And I'd show up. I'd ring the bell and I'd say that, yeah, Ayush, for example, right? I've launched the Health Factory. I've created India's first protein bread. It's taken me so many trials to get it right. And I'd love for you to sample it. And मैं हक से बोलता था, you got to write about it on social media. Please do that much for me. अभी हमने एक्सटेंसिवली किया 1 महीने के लिए, करीब 250-300 घर तक पहुँचे. They wrote about it on social media. Ayush's circle saw it on social media, started writing comments saying, hey Ayush, where do you get this from? I was proactive enough to answer those comments and say, hey, you know what, another sample from my end to you. So Ayush's -1 circle started getting my product, but sample, because I didn't know how to commercialize this yet. He got the product, and because it was so organic, founder-led, right, between Mohit and me, where we were saying that I'm coming to your house, right? We'd tell them that, hey, would appreciate if you can write about it on social media. He wrote about it on social media, where 250 guys became 500 guys. And then their friends wrote comments. By now we're sending them friend requests.
अब बेच रहे हो.
And उनके friends मेरे को कर रहे हैं, and मैं उनको माल जाके सप्लाई कर रहा हूँ. And ये 3 लेयर किया as a realization, पता चला subscription as a model चालू करते हैं. So 2017 October, November, broadly in that time frame, subscription as a model चालू किया, where we said that अब ये bread as per frequency लोगों के घर पे जाएगी. बट अब तक मैं ही डिलीवरी कर रहा हूँ. मेरा डिलीवरी का कॉस्ट शायद मेरे ब्रेड के कॉस्ट से ज़्यादा हो रहा था वो टाइम. बट पेरेंट्स आर काइंड इनफ, वो फ्यूल का पैसा दे रहे थे. बट दैट वाज हाउ वी स्टार्टेड.
कितने साल के थे आप? 25-26 साल?
हाँ, 25-26 साल का था. एंड एक्सटेंसिव डिलीवरी की तब समझ आया कि कैसे प्रोसेस क्या है, गार्ड कितना टाइम रोकता है, एंट्री कितनी दुकानों में कितने बिल्डिंग्स में करनी पड़ती है, लीड टाइम क्या है ऊपर नीचे जाने का।
बट आप तो डिलीवरी बॉय थोड़ी थे, मतलब वो आपको
बट वो मैं मैप कर रहा था, राइट, बिकॉज अब मेरे को लाना है वो टाइप ऑफ डिलीवरी बॉय।
स्विगी जोमेटो चल रहा था
नहीं,
2017 में
स्विगी इंस्टामार्ट और नहीं था, स्विगी जोमेटो था।
हाँ, खाना
स्विगी जोमेटो था। स्विगी जोमेटो फिर भी हमारे प्रोडक्ट डिलीवरी के लिए एक्सपेंसिव हो जाता, सो हमने वी रीच्ड आउट टू द स्विगी जोमेटो गाइस, द बाइकर स्टेशंस, राइट, एंड वी सेड दैट 6 से 9 बजे आप एनीवे कुछ नहीं करते हो, हमारी डिलीवरी कर दो। बट वी कुडंट अफोर्ड दैट, उधर एओवी ज़्यादा होता है स्विगी जोमेटो में, हमारा एओवी बहुत कम था,
40-50 रुपये टैक्स,
150 रुपीज़, 145 हमारा एओवी था, बट उस पर भी 40-50 रुपया देना वाज नॉट फीजिबल फॉर अस।
पैकेजिंग क्या थी तब? ऐसे ही बस प्लास्टिक में
बॉक्स वाली ब्रेड, राइट, द आइडेंटिटी पैसे थे नहीं आयुष, मार्केट में जाना है, हंग्री गाइस, हाउ डू यू गो टू मार्केट, राइट। एक तो हो गया सोशल मीडिया फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, दूसरा हो गया सोशल मीडिया फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली प्लस क्या दे सकते हैं, राइट, तो बोले ब्रेड इन अ बॉक्स बनाते हैं। Our marketing cost is going to be a variable cost, which is going to be the cost of packaging. It's going to look so sexy that when it sits on an aisle, it'll amp up the aisle. It'll make the aisle aesthetically more beautiful. As a result of which, जब सामने वाली की दुकान बंद होगी तो बोलेगा मैं ऐसी चीज़ रखता हूँ, right? So that was the narrative. अब उसका MOQ था 1000 रुपये, हाँ 1000 पीसेस, ब्रॉडली 6.5-7 रुपये का पैकेजिंग आता था। मेरा फिक्स कॉस्ट या मेरा वेरिएबल कॉस्ट रहा था, मेरा कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम अ कैश फ्लो स्टैंड पॉइंट 7,000 रुपये थे MOQ वो लाने के लिए। तो 1000 रुपये से जितनी ब्रांडिंग की है मैं, 1000 पीसेस से जितनी ब्रांडिंग की है, क्योंकि वो घर पे जाता था वो बॉक्स पड़ा रहता था, ब्रेड खत्म हो जाती थी बॉक्स फिर भी रहता था, उसमें कोई स्टेशनरी डाल रहा है, उसमें कुछ और कुछ रख रहा है, और लोग आके देख रहे हैं, वो बोल रहे हैं व्हाट इज दिस, आई सॉ इट एट माई फ्रेंड्स हाउस, hey can I also get this product, right, became word of mouth, and I believe that's the strongest form of marketing, right. Our consumers became advocates and started promoting the product. So that worked really well. That was what our packaging was. You asked me packaging क्या था, तो visual
Ingredients सब लिखा था
identifiers.
full?
Sorry?
लेबल सब था तब?
हाँ, उसको I used to call this Pro Nutri loaf. So I was extra smart in my head. So I used to call it Pro Nutri loaf, only to realize that ये तो chemist में मिलना चाहिए. And then
Complicated now.
Yeah, right. And then you ask people, what do you do, right? And they say, when I make protein bread. So I said, okay, yeah, you know what? Let's just call it protein bread. What is this Pro Nutri loaf? Pronounce करने ही नहीं हो रहा है. So we called it the protein bread. Big and bold. 48 grams of protein, 20% lower in carbs, low sugar, low fat, right? Were the front big, bold, red color box, claims in the front. On the left was the functionality of each ingredient with a bread with the goodness of more. You know, it was written in a paragraph. कोई पढ़ता नहीं, but I still remember that packaging so clearly, right? At the back used to be big and bold nutrition information panel, where you're seeing 20% protein coming in from 100 grams, right? Today I see India use the word high protein very loosely because they feel it's high protein. Protein is high protein when it's quantifiable, it's not a feeling. Macros are not a feeling, macros are numbers, right? In 100 grams, people see 10 grams of protein and they say, I'm eating high protein products, right? It becomes a qualifier as a high protein when you have 20% of your protein in the 100 grams is when you can say that you're high in protein. Below that, you're a source of protein. Below that, it's just base level to not claim, right? But I see that being used very loosely. However, having said that, yes, we formulated India's first high protein bread, right?
So 20% minimum.
20% protein. 19.76 is where we were at, right? And that's acceptable as, yeah. Now we've crossed that. We've crossed 20. But yeah, that was high protein and that was the box story. And it became so strong as a visual identifier. लोग प्रोटीन ब्रेड भी नहीं याद रखते थे और हेल्थ फैक्ट्री भी नहीं याद रखते थे, तो ये याद रखते थे कि वो बॉक्स वाला ब्रेड बेचना, राइट? सो दैट बिकेम द नेक्स्ट की. सो दीज की विजुअल्स, की एसेट्स बिकेम अ सेक्रेड एसेट्स फॉर द बिजनेस, फॉर पीपल टू स्टार्ट कॉलिंग दिस आउट एज who are these guys, what do they do? कोई बोलता है बॉक्स वाला ब्रेड बनाता है, कोई बोलता है प्रोटीन ब्रेड बनाता है, कोई बोलता है हेल्थ फैक्ट्री, राइट? बट द एसोसिएशन एंड द मेमोरी स्ट्रक्चर इन द कंज्यूमर्स माइंड started getting stronger. फिर आया वीगन प्रोटीन ब्रेड, तो उसका डिफरेंशिएटर हो गया रेड बॉक्स ग्रीन बॉक्स।
कब लॉन्च हुआ है वीगन?
2018।
कब 2018 में?
2018 I'd say अगेन अगस्त सितंबर,
एक साल पूरा।
1 साल बाद।
पूरा 2017 आपने जनवरी फरवरी में बेचना शुरू किया था?
2017 कमर्शियलाइजेशन वाइज अक्टूबर नवंबर।
तो 3-4 महीने में कितने पैसे कमाए आपने?
50,000 महीने के।
1.5 लाख रुपए कमाए।
हाँ 3-4 महीने में।
कितना नुकसान किया होगा तब? 3-4 लाख रुपए नुकसान।
ऑफिस का रेंट था 55,000, मोहितर में सैलरी दे नहीं रहे थे, हेल्पर का रेंट था 15,000, 50,000 की सेल्स थी, उसमें से कॉग्स आ गए, समझो 50% निकाल देते, 15% लॉजिस्टिक्स के और निकाल देते, 65 निकल गया। 165 में 145 में से 65 निकला तो ब्रॉडली चलो 50% करते कैलकुलेशन पर्पसेस के लिए, 74 ब्रॉडली। ये सब मैच करने के बाद आज से 50-60,000 रुपीज वाज माय बर्न। या
1.5 लाख रुपए लॉस किया बस।
हाँ
नॉट बैड एट ऑल। फिर 2018 6-7 महीने से ये बेचते रहे। इन 6-7 महीने में आपने सेम ही चीज़ जो आपने भी बताया, पैकेजिंग, ये वर्ड ऑफ माउथ,
या
जा रहे हो बेच रहे हो, वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से जो थोड़ा थोड़ा आ रहा है वो कर रहे हो।
करेक्ट।
और
ये रिटेल कहानी चालू हुई इधर।
हाँ हाँ, रिटेल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल प्रॉपर।
रिटेल भी चालू
खुद ही कर रहे हो तो टेक्निकली तो B2C
नहीं, रिटेल एज एन एक्चुअल फिजिकल काउंटर्स चालू है हमारे।
अच्छा, हो गए।
रिटेलर्स फोन
कब हुआ
करना
ये?
चालू किए 2017 दिसंबर में।
2 महीने 3 महीने में ही हो गया।
3 महीने। आई टेल यू हाउ ये कैसे हुआ, राइट? बिकॉज लेट्स अज्यूम आयुष इज इन लोअर परेल एंड आयुष को मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि आयुष लोअर परेल में मंडे आता हूँ। आयुष बोल रहे ठीक है मेरे को मंडे ब्रेड भेज देना। कंजम्पशन फ्रीक्वेंसी ब्रेड की ऐसे यू नीड 2-3 टाइम्स अ वीक, राइट? नाउ थर्सडे आयुष विल कॉल मी एंड से विनय मेरे को ब्रेड चाहिए, एंड द आंसर टू दैट इज आयुष आई कैन कम बैक टू यू ओनली ऑन मंडे। Fancy packaging, sexy looking box, world class product, taste phenomenal, right? Where do you find this? Modern trade. So they went, consumers walked into modern trade and asked them protein bread hai kya? Now the retailer doesn't call you till he doesn't see enough of a buzz. So we started seeing repeatedly consumers started asking for this. As a result of it, the retailers called us on info@thehealthfactory.in. They started reaching out to us and saying that we'd like to have your product on our shelf. And then we went and we had a chat with them. They asked us for listing fees, vendor registration fees, product listing fees, mapping, this, that. I was very clear, जेब में पैसे हैं नहीं, दूंगा कहाँ से? 3-4 महीने में चालू नहीं किया. Sorry, I'll take that timeline back. I'm in Feb 2018 now, is when this is going live with retail, right? 3-4 महीने I just kept negotiating. As a result of which, I still remember, one of those guys said तू डीटे चालू कर, तू देगा नहीं।
ऐसे दे दिया ना।
तो कोई लिस्टिंग फीस और नहीं लगी, हम लोग ऑनबोर्ड किए, एक दुकान चालू की, 5 ने देखा, उनके फ़ोन आए, मॉडर्न ट्रेड एज अ जर्नी कैप्चर होनी चालू हुई। एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ विच A+ जनरल ट्रेड काउंटर्स देखे, दे स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग अस सेइंग इवन वी वांट दिस प्रोडक्ट। इधर से अभी लॉजिस्टिक्स टीम बनने चालू हुई क्योंकि हम सेल्स में घुस गए। अब मोहित और मैं वापस बाइक पे, अब बट ये टाइम फ्रेंड्स के घर नहीं जा रहे, दुकान टू दुकान जा रहे। सर हमने नया प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया है, वुड यू लाइक टू कीप इट, वुड यू कीप इट, वुड यू कीप इट। एक लिस्ट निकाली हमने, टॉप काउंटर्स, उधर जाके चालू किए। TOTs क्या है,
TOTs क्या है?
टर्म्स ऑफ ट्रेड, क्या मार्जिन लोगे, कितने टाइम में पैसा मिलेगा, ऑल ऑफ दैट। तो फिर वो हमारा स्टेंट चालू हुआ, वो सीखना चालू किया।
गॉड। फिर वीगन ब्रेड क्यों निकाली? डिमांड आ रही थी या क्या हो रहा था?
We started seeing a very large movement with the vegan community where a lot of people started speaking about lactose intolerance and stuff like that. So we said, okay, let's play on this.
फिर से फॉर्मुलेट किया, ढूंढा, फिर क्या?
Yeah. Same journey. 800 trials, 600 trials this time, not 800, but yeah, 600 to lage to get the protein composition right. And then how do you stitch class B protein into class A protein? And then by choosing the right blends of the different types of protein and creating a foolproof protein amino acid profile, that took us journey, right? That was the longer part of the journey. Prima facie we got the product, but again, like I said, 99% is still in the lab. So we said, how do we crack it 100%? And that was the time it took us to get the piece in play.
फिर क्या, did it sell crazy? क्या हो रहा था वीगन ब्रेड?
No, it found its own niche. And then at some point, vegan protein became multi-protein light with a vegan stamp at the back. That gained more traction because it became, it was a cheaper product. It had 36-38 grams of protein. and it started becoming more. It started entering houses faster because of the price point and the callouts. And then suddenly that cohort that I was looking at started becoming bigger. Right. So that's what happened with the vegan protein. Now it's called back vegan, front facing at least, because we're seeing that die-hard vegan fans, also small, very small community, but they live by it. So we said, okay, this is for them,
Correct.
even from a positioning standpoint.
यहाँ तो इन्वेंटरी इश्यूज भी हो रहे होंगे, डिमांड ज़्यादा है क्या?
नहीं, I mean, in story में अच्छा, it sounds good in a story, but in its absoluteness, we were very, very small, like 150-200 bread max, right? So that was very small.
पर डे और सब बिक जाती थी 200?
सब बिक जाती थी, सब बिकती थी, सब. I mean, हम लोग ही सेल्स कर रहे थे, राइट? तो हाइपर लोकल फोकस करके, वी weren't doing spray and pray.
सिर्फ बॉम्बे में हो रहा था?
सिर्फ बॉम्बे में, वो भी वेरी टारगेटेड हो रहा था.
तो 60-70 हज़ार आपने बेच दी पूरे साल में?
और मैं खुद बेचता था ना. तो मैं ऐसी दुकान में रखता था जहाँ एक तो लगता है कि इधर फॉर्मेट करेक्ट है ये प्रोडक्ट के लिए, और दूसरा वीकेंड सैटरडे संडे, मोहित सैटरडे मैं संडे, या मोहित संडे मैं सैटरडे, वाइस वर्सा, व्हिचएवर, राइट? हम दुकान में खड़े रहते थे एंड 8 घंटे की ड्यूटी करते थे. जैसे ही दुकान खोलती थी हम पहुंच जाते थे कि वीव लॉन्च दिस ब्रेड. हम लोग कंज्यूमर्स से बात करते थे, सैम्पल करते थे, प्रमोट करते थे. आई इवन रिमेंबर यूज केस, consumer didn't want to buy, one consumer didn't want to buy the product on account of bread, another brand being in his basket. He said, I'm a consumer of that, love the concept, but I will buy it next time. For now, I'll take a pass because my wife's told me I have to get this bread. I remember Nayan Maska, his name, stays at Breach Candy, I still remember him. I picked up the bread, well-spoken guy, understands nutrition, all of that. Picked up the bread, went to the counter, bought the bread for him, put it in his basket. I said, so this is from my behalf, on my behalf, right? I did many of those cases. Just took their numbers, picked up the phone, called for feedback. Till today, they sit on a subscription model, right? So look at the LTV, right? This is, again, like 2017, 2018, right? When we're starting retail and we're reaching out to these guys. And 2018 का consumer आज मेरा product खा रहा है, right? So that journey has been crazy because the product is so strong, and our approach was impactful, right? We built it grounds up. We didn't shy away. We went spoke, and when we would get intimidated, and we would say that, hey, let's not approach. I'd only ask myself one question: that अगर तू नहीं करेगा तो कौन करेगा, right? And then suddenly I would feel from a place of ease, then burdened or intimidated. I'd say that if I don't do it, who will, right? So I got to lead. So those were great unlocks for us.
2018.
So this was 2018.
कितना रेवेन्यू किया इसमें आपने? 30 लाख?
नहीं, that's too much here. I think we were at 2018, we were broadly at a 1.5 lakh monthly revenue.
20 लाख?
Yeah.
Profitable खर्चा?
No.
Loss.
I think almost, like small amount of burn which was happening. Again, that 40,000-50,000 burn that was happening because अभी team भी आ रही है, operations भी खड़े हो रहे हैं, फैक्ट्री में शायद एक आध और मशीन लग रही है.
बट अब पीएमएफ फिट हो चुका है, पता लग गया है क्या
अब कोहॉर्ट लेवल पीएमएफ फिट हो चुका है. अब कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग चालू हो चुकी है. लॉयल्टी एज अ फैक्टर हैज प्लेड आउट. जो खा रहा है वो कंटिन्यूसली मंगा रहा है. अब एक्विजिशन एज अ जर्नी चालू. एलटीवी एस्टैब्लिश्ड हो गया था कि कंज्यूमर खाएगा तो खरीदेगा. अब नए कंज्यूमर्स
बट आपको एज फाउंडर कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया था प्रोडक्ट में कि अब ये करना है?
यस, एब्सोल्युटली. मोहित
को और आपको, एंड यू आर लाइक अब लंबा जाएंगे.
अब लंबा जाएंगे.
2019 क्या हुआ?
2019 is where the confidence came in to say that let's raise some capital. Now, how do you go about it? We said friends and family again, right? This is when 2018 learnings, right, of people calling you and understanding all of that, and you see your fellow startup friends doing friends and family rounds. So we said, okay, let's open this up. Raised 65 lakhs in the month of September, 1st September actually. 1st September 2019, raised 65 lakhs from friends and family. Broadly, by now we're doing 3.5 lakhs of monthly revenue. And the idea was that with this, we'll build an infrastructure. We start building the teams out. We'll go to market a little more aggressively. So that was happening in 2019. cut to December 2019, I had 10 lakhs of monthly revenue.
Cut to 2020?
Cut to December 2019, and I'm at 10 lakhs of monthly revenue. And Jan 2020, I'm doing like 10.5 lakhs of monthly revenue. And in Feb, I get fucked. COVID comes in, right? Back to the basics, back to the grind. One day manufacturing, one day
2020
delivery.
March COVID hit, na?
Feb is started being announced, panic kicked in. March is when lockdown, I think March, April is when lockdown started coming in. Awareness kicked in very strong. So we could feel the market moving here and there. Sales started tanking. And March, April, whenever that happened, right? We had to pull the shutter down in the start at least.
कितनी फैक्टर कितनी बड़ी 1100 वाली
वही चल रही है.
आज भी वही चल रही है.
वो R&D में. आज तो
आएंगे
touch wood,
मत बताओ.
God is kind.
हाँ.
But
February, March, April.
so then COVID comes in and this 10 lakh revenue becomes a constant, and then that becomes zero. Right? March, April, we're back with zero. And now we're doing alternate day, Mohit and me. After some time of COVID, that too. Even the 4-5 लोग जब हम लोग थे, बोले हमको we're going back to our respective towns because we can't operate, lockdown लग रहा है, announcements हो रहे हैं. These guys go back, and it's just Mohit and me. And I go back to my mom and I said that अब दुकान बंद नहीं हो सकती है. 2016 से कॉन्सेप्ट चल रहा है.
आपके पापा में क्या करते हैं?
Went to Julian Handicrafts.
जयपुर में?
Bombay में. Originally from there, but they've got their business here. But having said that, yeah, I was going through realization that 2015 to 2020, it's been like 5-6 years now, man. दुकान नहीं बंद हो सकती है. Ask mom, घर से help लेके जाऊँ क्या? बोला चल, I'll give you alternate days because घर पे भी there's a lot of work that is happening. Everyone is there suddenly. I take the fellow every day, every alternate day. And it was Mohit, me, and this time my house help. Manufacturing and next day delivery. Manufacturing, delivery, alternate day. The idea was let's keep the shop running. And that's how I think most of that year went. It was very hazy. It was just that. It was just Mazduri again, right? Like back to 2016, 2017, right? Like it's just back to the grind, doing everything on your own once again, right? Like starting from scratch. 2021.
क्या 2020 में रेवेन्यू कितना हो गया? 30 लाख, 40 लाख?
No, 2020 में एक 50,000 पे आ गया था क्योंकि कोविड आ गया, बंद हो गया सब कुछ. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कैपेबिलिटी नहीं है.
पूरा
बीमार पड़ रहे हैं, राइट? लाइक I'd say 8-9 lakhs. We were even lower.
Jan Feb को मिला के मतलब 20-25 लाख रुपए.
हाँ, calendar year wise if you see, yes.
Damn bro, फटी पड़ी होगी.
अब बैंड बजी थी, राइट? लाइक
सोचा आपने कि भाई अब तो बंद करो, बैठो दुकान में ही?
नहीं, यही नहीं सोचा कभी. ये तो कभी सोचा ही
मोहित नहीं बोल रहा था यार क्या कर रहा है?
नहीं, आई थिंक यही हमारा, दैट्स वेयर वी सिंक अप वेरी वेल, राइट? ये कभी दिमाग में ही नहीं आता, राइट? आई थिंक द जर्नी इज all been built on mindset, right?
बट जून जुलाई में कोविड में आई थिंक ब्रेड एंड एसेंशियल को अलाउ कर दिया था. आपका प्रॉब्लम वो नहीं था. आपका प्रॉब्लम था कि सब चले गए थे, लोग से चलाए कैसे? वो प्रॉब्लम
3 लोग थे, कैसे चलाएं? कितना ही कर सकते हैं, राइट? है उतने ही घंटे,
और इतने क्रेजी पैसे हैं नहीं कि हम
पैसे हैं नहीं,
सिस्टम प्रोसेस बने नहीं,
कुछ भी नहीं है,
खुद ही कर रहे हो.
जो भी बनाए थे वो लोग भाग गए, तो कुछ है ही नहीं.
वापस आया भी कि नहीं?
हाँ, एक्चुअली आए.
ठीक है. 2021 तो 20 is this only कि मतलब
yeah, 2020 is just the grind, you know, like just going through just the daily hustle, routine. It became routine, right? There was no innovation in thinking. It was just sustenance. It was just do everything on repeat every day, every alternate day, right? Manufacture every alternate day, deliver every alternate day, just that, right? So that was happening in 2020. 2021 November, 1 month of monthly revenue. I mean, 1 month of runway. And
सब 65 लाख रुपए वाला खर्च हो गया.
सब पैसे चले गए. ब्रॉडली 1.5 महीना होगा मैक्स रनवे. अब फट रही है कि दुकान बंद होने वाली. वेंट बैक टू द हाउस, सेड, स्पोक टू माय डैड, सेड like some money in the business. Now it's been 6-7 years. The shop is going to shut. How do I keep it running? and I got a very simple line item answer. It's your business. You got to figure it out. For you, there's love and a house and food to eat, not money. You got to figure this out on your own, because that's when you'll realize what it means to build a business, because it's a part of your problem. It's not, I never asked you to start this.
तो रोने वोने जो भी हुआ उसके बाद क्या हुआ? मैं बताता हूँ मैं आपको पापा पर को.
So I called the same friends, minus the family,
हाँ.
and I told them this as a situation. And
तो ऐसे नहीं बुरा नहीं लग रहा था स्टेटस वाइज कि भाई कंपनी डूब गई, दोस्त बोल रहे हैं अरे विनय क्या टाइम पास कर रहा था, ब्रेड बना रहा है, चल अब जो MBA कर.
100%, right? So that's noise, right? Those aren't signals. The idea is to kill the noise, right? Because otherwise noise will never let you operate, right? So there is noise. But
होंगे ना ऐसे लोग तो
correctly,
बड़े
yeah, कुछ नहीं, सब, right? उसमें से noise में से 3 signals थे.
राइडर बना हुआ है स्विगी का ऐसे ये सब.
But signals, we had to tap into the signals and not the noise, right? And there was noise everywhere, like everywhere. I mean, in my life, right? That what's happening? Drop it. Figure something else out. Bread बना रहा है. छोड़ दे ये सब. But Akshat, Karan, and Khushbu and Sunny, these were the 4 people who backed me.
पैसे दिए उन्होंने और
वापस.
और इक्विटी इन्वेस्टमेंट
13 lakhs is what I got. And that was game changing for me. By now, Ayush had a mindset, had a product, had the ability to fall and know that I'm going to bounce. Like I'm going to come back this time. Because for me, by now, I've understood the fabrics of life, where इससे नीचे नहीं जा सकता हूँ मैं. I'm almost shutting shop, right? So, I'm like, इससे क्या नीचे जाएगा यार? So, इधर से एक ब्रेड बेचा तो भी जीते. इधर से तो ऊपर ही जा सकता हूँ, इधर से नीचे तो नहीं जा सकता हूँ, right? With that as an attitude between Mohit and me, right? We took it to market and we never looked back, man. That was my inflection point of learning and becoming the individual I became, right? And had I got the money from home that day, I wouldn't be here.
क्यों?
Because I wouldn't be able to build this way, right? Even with 13 lakhs and saying I'm going to find the hustle around it versus being in the know-how that capital is available.
Crazy. फिर ये हुआ जनवरी फरवरी में
2021
ना
2022 now. अब I have no money. I've raised this 13 lakhs.
2022 में रेस किया आपने?
नहीं, 2021 में friends and family रेस किया, वापस business build करना चालू किया,
हाँ,
right? Team unlock करना चालू.
2021 में पैसे कब लिए 13 लाख? नवंबर में लिए. तो Jan to November क्या हो रहा था?
Sales? Jan to November क्या sales हो रहा था? I'd say again, right? Same 12-15 लाख.
टोटल मतलब महीने का 1 लाख रुपए.
Max out.
कुछ भी नहीं है तो मतलब.
हाँ.
After the 45 lakh peak of 2019.
Yeah. 45 lakh peak नहीं किया 2019 में.
42 आपने MRR 3.5 लाख बताया तुमने. ऐसे कर दिया.
And in the month of June 2022, we did an angel round. We raised 1.8 crores. And by now, in June 2022, I'm back to 10 lakhs of monthly revenue.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. And from there, it was only let's go. From there, it was only let's go. I wish I'd become
nice.
So mentally strong that it's always going to be let's go from there, right? I said there are 2 options, right? You can sit and cry behind the past, or you can actually say let's go, right? June 2022, 10 lakhs of revenue, innovated India's first zero maida bread, truly zero maida, chemical free.
2022.
Yeah. Zero maida bread, chemical free, preservative free, emulsifier free, vegan friendly, high fiber, rich in protein, trans fat free, cholesterol free, 20% more premium than your national players. Who wouldn't buy, man? I asked myself, would I buy? And I do this testing, right? Like, I don't behave delusional when I'm building products. And I was like, ये तो मैं कर ही लूँगा, right? Not a 55% with 45% maida. Genuinely 100% whole wheat. This was actually harder for us to crack than even the protein bread. The extensive trials that we did, it was insane, man. Product आ ही नहीं रहे. Chemical free, preservative free, 3 दिन में 2 दिन में fungus पड़ जाता है. But to crack that entire ecosystem of understanding the balance, got that right. 2022
ये बिम्बो हार्वेस्ट गोल्ड ये लोग क्रैक नहीं कर रहे थे?
नहीं,
कोशिश कर रहे थे.
नहीं, अभी आएंगे जर्नी में आएंगे. सब कॉपी कर रहे हैं अभी. अब आएंगे, ये भी आएंगे जर्नी में. but PMF मिला, and scalable PMF, right? Cohort level, small community PF नहीं, अब इंडिया का PMF मिला, right? Narrative became that we want to be India's biggest bread wala, right? And let's live that journey, right? And then we started building towards that, and this PMF comes in, gives you massive growth. Shot on Shark Tank in September 2022, on the 11th of September 2022. By now, my 10 lakhs had become 35 lakhs.
After Shark Tank live went live?
No, this is when we were shooting. And Ayush, guess what? 2016, 2017 till 2022, never crossed 10 lakhs in my life. And suddenly I'm at 35 lakhs. And in 3 months from the time I've raised the capital, right? For me, while in its absoluteness,
small round,
small,
1.8 कुछ छोटा पैसा उठाया था.
Yeah, and बनिया हूँ, वो भी बताऊंगा कि लिमिटेड ही रेस किया हूँ पूरी जर्नी में. बट ये जो मेरे को 35 lakhs का अनलॉक मिला ना, एब्सोल्यूटनेस में छोटा होगा, but 3.5x in 3 months. That's massive. And I'd never seen that kind of revenue kick in, right? And this is happening, and then we get on a call with our investors in the month of December 2022, and we tell them now we're hitting 75 lakhs.
अभी Shark Tank live नहीं हुआ है.
नहीं, अभी तक Shark Tank live नहीं हुआ है. 65 lakhs, not 75 lakhs, broadly around 60-65 lakhs. And these guys are like, wow, look at the pace, right? You were 10 lakhs when you raised the capital, you're already talking about 60-65
क्या
lakhs.
change हुआ before Shark Tank? ये 6-8 महीने में पैसा वो जो
New
आया.
PMF, newfound PMF,
वो ये
the zero meta bread.
इतना क्रेजी हो गया क्या? चलो 2020 एक्चुअली कंटेंट एंड प्रोटीन एंड वो रेवोल्यूशन भी शुरू हो गया था.
Yes, cleaner, and because अभी just COVID खत्म हुआ है, right? Cleaner, better for you is now coming into play, right?
2-3 tailwinds भी support
Q-commerce was a great phenomenon.
QC plus content wave plus post COVID health era, all of that.
Yeah, and we went live with QC in Feb 2023.
अच्छा वो आया भी नहीं अभी तक के?
नहीं, वो अब तक, no, sorry, my bad. अब QC आ गया है, sorry, my bad. In Feb 2022.
हाँ, तो ये QC growth है in a way.
ये QC growth है. ये QC growth है.
Makes sense. Feb 2022. QC में कहाँ पे हो आप?
अभी स्विगी पे हो.
सिर्फ स्विगी पे हो?
अभी तक
स्विगी एक्सक्लूसिव.
स्विगी एक्सक्लूसिव. जेप्टो को भी फ़ोन किया. जेप्टो ने बोला मैंने तेरा माल नहीं बिकेगा. फिर मैंने उनको फ़ोन किया, मैं बोला शार्क टैंक पे जा रहा हूँ सर, प्रोडक्ट अच्छा बिक रहा है स्विगी पे, प्लीज़ आप स्टार्ट करो. मिस्टर सौरभ महेश्वरी वाज देयर. मैं उनको बहुत प्लीज़ किया, मैं बोला सर प्लीज़ मेरे को डालो आप, मैं बोल रहा हूँ मैं बेचूंगा, आप बताओ क्या करना है, मैं सब कुछ करूँगा, मैं माल बेचूंगा. ही सेड चल चालू करते. रिकॉर्ड टाइम पे स्टार्ट किया, 10 दिन में बोला चल तू लाइव है.
कब?
राइट, दिस इज ड्यूरिंग सितंबर. शार्क टैंक जब मैं गया हूँ.
September 22.
या
Zepto.
या that started for us. That was a great enabler. Blinkit kicked in for us in the month of November 2022.
And क्यों दे रहे थे आपको स्लॉट्स? क्योंकि काफी कॉम्पिटिटिव होता है ये लेना.
क्यों दे रहे थे? Because they were seeing that the product, we were demonstrating numbers, right? We were showing growth, we were showing category growth. We were showcasing that the consumers asking for the product, right? In their search, you could see our names without us being present, right? Their search data suggested that the brand is being asked for, right? So when we went there, of course, after heavy negotiations, stuff like that, but they were okay to onboard us because they knew that these guys are scaling. So that happened.
So before, very important thing कि Shark Tank के पहले आप तीनों जगह लाइव थे.
Shark Tank live होने के पहले, yes. Yes.
Shark Tank आया कब?
Oh no, my bad man. Blinkit अब तक live नहीं हुआ है.
अच्छा लाइव नहीं हुआ है?
नहीं, Blinkit 2023 नवंबर में लाइव हुआ है.
बहुत लेट हुआ.
बहुत लेट हुआ है. Correct. It was Swiggy Zepto.
ठीक है, fine.
Oh damn. Now even in my head, I'm like, wow. Yeah, so it was just Swiggy Zepto.
2022 total revenue?
2022 total revenue 65 lakhs. No, 50 lakhs, 5 crores.
5 crores.
So I'll tell you 5 years when we moved in the timeline, and I'll give you a 5-year journey as to revenues क्या रहे हैं. You'll see at the pace at which we've grown, but I'll give you a timeline journey in terms of how the revenues have also grown. But coming back to that, right? And then March 2023, 2023, Shark Tank goes live for us. In the month of Feb, we're doing broadly around 75. And this is date adjusted, right? Because 28 days hai. And date adjusted to 31, right? We're doing 75 lakhs of sales. Shark Tank goes live in March and we're suddenly at 1.1. We're at a 1.1 crores now. And that's like a 40-50% spike. And we're living off adrenaline right now. The team is lean. We're operating in Bombay and Bangalore.
Manufacturing कैसे हो रही है?
Bombay and Bangalore में हो रही है. Contract manufacturing. And team छोटी है. कुछ भी हो जाए delivery करें. But we knew that this adrenaline is going to die. Right? And we'd have to find a higher cause. And we can't live off adrenaline only. So we said structure and team is going to be the unlock. Because once this adrenaline dies, we'll fall sick.
And they didn't invest in you.
They didn't invest in us. They found us slow. I took it very seriously, man. We scaled really fast after that.
उसके बाद आए वापस invest करने के लिए कोई separate deal?
No, we spoke to one or two of them in silos, but we taken off, man. We taken off. Like we started scaling. We started scaling very aggressively.
Next round कब किया था आपने?
We did Feb 2023, just before Shark Tank. Just before Shark Tank. 1.8 crores.
और 1.8 crores. And then March में 1.1 किया, फिर क्या हुआ?
1.1, 1.13 and 1.15 were the 3 months. So we realized that the consumer is sticking around and the consumer is with us. So that journey with the consumer and that establishment and resonance with the consumer started building. We got on a call with our investors and they're like, Vinay, what's the vision? I said, I want to be India's biggest bread wala, right? To which he said, Vinay, तेरे को cities खोलनी पड़ेगी. So I said, sure. The next in line was depth बताना पड़ेगा. So I said, sure. Opened Delhi, Hyderabad and Chennai in record time in the next 6 months. Yes, manufacturing, contract manufacturing. Our process of opening contract manufacturing is very strict. It's not very loosely said that आप बना रहे हो bread, मैं एक काम करो ये मेरा premix लो आप माल बना के मेरे को दे देना. मैं हर station man करता हूँ मेरी team के साथ उनकी facility में, right? That helps build that QA/QC checks because food is all QA/QC at the end of it. But we opened this in record time. Every month we were able to crack a manufacturing plant, right? We got a playbook, manufacturing playbook ready. We started scaling again. In the month of October 2023, we're now doing 2.5-3 crores of monthly revenue. And we're still burning some money. So then I said that let me turn this and try to turn this into profitability. Took that on as a challenge in October 2023, broadly doing 2.5-3 crores of monthly revenue. Turned my first month of profitability in the month of Jan 2024. So I found that...
Profitable till date?
Sorry?
Are you profitable?
No, we started burning after we raised capital right now because, again, right, for the right line item. Because in the journey,
a lot of people... It's controllable burn, na? It's the burn of scale.
It's the burn of scale, right? Give me 90 days as a lever, I'll turn it profitable.
Got it. So Jan profitable.
Yeah.
2024. Then?
So this is happening now. We turned profitable in the month of Jan. Got on a call with our investors, that quarterly meeting that happens. A lot of investors were like, hey, people are really appreciating the fact that you're building a business, right? Took that on. A lot of our investors said that we've given you money to burn, right? To grow for the right line item, of course. So why are you stepping back? The other investor told us, तू 1 महीने का profitability बता रहा है. What if this is by chance? If you want to call yourself a profitable business, show this for a quarter. Then we'll understand that you know your business. Took that on as a challenge, Ayush. And said that let's find a hack between growth and spends,
profitability.
Right? So I said that money should not always be the answer for growth. Right? It's of course a strong lever for acceleration. But can we build in a way where we completely take control of all the line items and start scaling? Turn 3 quarters of profitability, right? And when I'm saying 3 quarters, when I ended that 3rd quarter, I'm looking at now 6.5-7 crores of monthly revenue.
You're in October, November, December?
I'm in September, October 2024. And we met Peak 15 during this phase. We raised capital from them. The conversation began, I
Public
think...
round, है नहीं तो?
Sorry?
Public information है ना?
Yeah.
कितना round raise किया आपने?
We raised 3.5 million, of which 18 crores we did primary, rest we did secondary.
Congrats, bro.
Thank you.
Crazy. सही है. 3.5 million, 18 2 million, roughly 2 million, 2.5 million of primary. Crazy. Then what run rate in January 2025, whatever? इस साल आ गए ना अभी हम.
Yeah, I mean, last month we broadly, I'm going to skip timelines a little bit. And now what we've unlocked is products, ranges. Protein bread as a range is opening up. Pav, bun, pizza, burger bun, multigrain. Yeah, multigrain, milk bread. Sourdough, focaccia, got into that gourmet side of things, got into very functional. Recently launched the super fiber. Because the world suffers from constipation. No one speaks about it, man. But the world suffers from constipation. So that's a massive unlock there. Low GI. India suffers from diabetes, right?
Glycemic index.
So getting that GI in check so that you're not going through massive sugar spikes. So very consumer facing, attacking a problem statement. So diversified the portfolio. And imagine, man, bread bech raha hu. And look at the variety that we're covering. Look at the functionality that we're bringing to your plate every single morning, right? And it covers the whole spectrum of audience, from taste, nutrition, specific nutrition needs, just all of it, right? So we unlocked that range. Broadly closed last month at 15 crores.
Crazy. 180 crore ARR.
Yeah.
And इसमें बिम्बो कहाँ था? कहाँ पे आए थे वो? कॉल कब आई आपको? Just for context, Bimbo, guys, basically वर्ल्ड की सबसे बड़ी कंपनी है ब्रेड की, मैक्सिकन बेस्ड कंपनी, यूएस सबसे बड़ा मार्केट है, इंडिया में हार्वेस्ट गोल्ड और मॉडर्न को खरीदा था आई थिंक 2017-18 के टाइम पे, पहले 65% लिया था, फिर पूरा ही ले लिया, एंड कंबाइंड 1000 करोड़ प्लस करते हैं, तो बिगेस्ट इंडिया में भी हो गया टेक्निकली.
Absolutely right.
एंड उनका फोन आया था आपको, तो बताओ.
So the venture arm called us in, I'd say, November, December 2024.
Proper acquisition build company ना, मतलब acquisition लपेटते जाते हैं.
Yeah. Very clear. It's good, right? It's as long as you're very clear. They approach only like that. Right?
Yeah.
They talk shop. But they reached out to us. The Mexican arm reached out. I don't know which part of the group it was, but they did reach out to us in November, December 2024.
Mail
to have a conversation. Yeah, they mailed us. Got on a Zoom call. Had a chat with them, just checking what's up, because everyone's copying us now. Both are unlocks, right? Protein bread, which was an unlock for us, India copied. Zero maida bread, which was our unlock, India copied. We took zero maida so mainstream, I used that banana chips which don't have maida or anything to do with atta, still called as a zero maida tag on it. Right? We created that. We took that to market, right? And became so mainstream as a positioning statement. Of course, we're building trademarks around it, we're fighting with them.
Oh, nice.
And I hope we can win that, right, in our categories. And fundamentally, if you ask me what is this company all about, I'd say it's a product company.
Clearly.
It's a product company. We take our time, get the product right. We didn't have fancy branding. We just done a first brand campaign ever, man.
Yeah.
First brand campaign from 2016 till now, 10 years and no branding, no brand campaign. And you know what people would call us? The healthy factory, the bread factory, protein wala bread, was zero maida bread. And I would enter meetings and I'd say, and they'd ask me, what do you do? I'd say I sell protein bread and I sell zero maida bread. And they say, they would actually tell me, मैं भी zero maida bread खाता हूँ. कौन सी company की है वो नहीं पता. And then I'd open my phone and I'd show my website and I'd say that, sir, ये आपने देखा. अरे यही तो है मेरे घर पे, right? And that's when I started realizing, when I started moving for meetings, that the product is penetrating, man. And it was so nice, man. It was so nice that we're actually scaling. We're entering houses. It's done very organically. It's been carried with word of mouth. It's not been always push. We didn't emphasize on saying brand banate hain, let's burn money towards brand. Now we started taking this line item and said, अब brand बनाते, अब business खड़ा किया, अब brand building में invest कर दे. Let's start building the brand because the business can support the brand building as an exercise, right? So that's where I am at today.
Congrats, bro.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
काफी crazy. 10 लाख रुपए से 15 करोड़ in what? 3 years?
Yeah,
roughly 3 years.
Roughly 3 years.
Manufacturing playbook बताओ ना, क्या है manufacturing playbook? क्या वो भी अपनी जर्नी बता दी तो now it's very easy to pick one thing and then आप quickly समझा सकते हो. 1100 स्क्वायर फीट थे 2020-21 तक के, आज वो R&D बन गई, क्या हो रहा है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में, समझाओ.
how we work with manufacturers is हम लोग खुद का IP है हमारा premix जो like you said right for this premix now which is tweaked as per the line goes to all the plants at the plant level
ये बनता है 1100 स्क्वायर फीट जगह पे बनता है
हाँ
प्रीमिक्स
premix इधर बनता है
प्रॉपर्टी खरीद लो आप तो
हाँ yeah dude what a lucky property what a lucky property but या ये प्रीमिक्स जाता है सेंट्रली मैन्युफैक्चर होके डिसेंट्रलाइज हो जाता है अलग अलग पॉकेट्स ऑफ इंडिया में बॉम्बे में 2 फैसिलिटी है बैंगलोर में 2 है हैदराबाद में 2 है गाजियाबाद में 1 है कैलकाटा में 1 है इधर सब प्रीमिक्स गया इधर हमारी टीम्स इज आवर टीम्स आर अ पार्ट ऑफ एवरी स्टेशन देयर वी आर मैनिंग एवरी प्रोसेस
तो मतलब कौन जहाँ पे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो रही है वहाँ पे आपका एक फुल टाइम बंदा बैठा
एक नहीं 6
देखते हैं वहाँ पे हर दिन
7 days a week 24 घंटा क्योंकि प्रोडक्शन 24 घंटा होता है इट्स डिजाइन
शिफ्ट चेंज करते रहते हैं और 24 घंटे बैठा है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग
क्योंकि आई एम गोइंग थ्रू FOMO right now right like but I can pick up the phone right now in any plant and ask them to send me a picture of the batch वो मेरे पास है right I'm building real time because the business is about daily right it's about speed the whole business and the channels that we're working on is about speed
सप्लाई चेन तो बहुत क्रेजी इंपॉर्टेंट है
right and ब्रेड का धंधा सुबह 6 बजे चालू हो जाता है
रात को 1 बजे तक बनता होगा फ्रेश वाला
3-4 बजे तक बनता है सुबह माल सुबह माल निकलता है एंड you get real time information if you have the right teams and infrastructure right so very
फेल सेफ क्या होते हैं इसमें कैसे पता लगता है फेल सेफ कैसे पता लगता है इसमें कि बैच फेल हो गया या कुछ
वो तो ऑफ कोर्स मेट्रिक सेट किए हुए एवरी बैच every product type has a metric that needs to be followed in terms of rheological sensory properties right look and feel of course visual being one when it goes through that kind of an examining you get what is to be rejected what is to be accepted and that's how the product gets standardized across and that's the playbook man now you pay 30
हर दिन जाते हैं क्या
नहीं it goes at an interval maybe 1 महीने का प्रीमिक्स चलेगा बेसिस द टाइप P टाइप also किधर 15 दिन का भेजा है किधर 1.5 महीने का भेजा है ऑन एन एवरेज 1 महीने का प्रीमिक्स निकलता है हर प्लांट के लिए
समझ गया गॉट इट एंड क्या डे का साइकिल कैसे होता है सप्लाई चेन अगर आप समझाओगे तो
okay I'll start at some point and I'll finish the 24 hour from that point मैं आज रात को कल प्रोडक्शन का एस्टिमेट दे दूंगा as a result of which production cycles will start building their inventory whatever that is building manpower planning assortment through the day structure all of that ये 12-1 बजे तक प्लान उनके मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड पे फिक्स हो जाता है हमको 4 बजे तक POs आते रहते हैं एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ विच जो एस्टिमेट आपको कल रात को दिया था
परचेज ऑर्डर आ रहा है आपको
अब इसको फाइनलाइज करने का टाइम आ गया है नाउ प्रोडक्शन बिगिंस एट फुल स्विंग from 4 o'clock onwards till 4 o'clock the next morning, there's production happening non-stop. In this, at 8 o'clock, we have retail orders that get punched in. The estimate of retail also becomes conclusive.
8 a.m.
8 p.m.
8 p.m. order आता है.
Right? Finally, books block हो गई कि कल के orders इतने हैं. 4 o'clock तक manufacturing हो रहा है. 4:30 बजे हर जगह गाड़ी lined up. I think 3:30-4 बजे ही गाड़ी lined up हो गई. जो माल पड़ा है पुराना वाला एज इन जो आधे घंटे पुराना वाला है वो लोडिंग चालू हो गई राइट उसकी शीट्स निकल गई कौन से वैन को क्या पिकअप करना है वो स्टेशन है उधर से लोडिंग चालू हो गया फ्रॉम देयर राइट अप टू 8 o'clock देयर आर वैन्स which are lined up loading happens and distribution begins from there it goes to distributors who take the product and distribute it we do direct to retailers also so we've got a biker network that does retail delivery and we've got that same biker network that also carries subscription as a model for us. It's a very small portion of our business, but it's existed. So that's how the supply chain begins. And from there, these vehicles even go to the warehouses of Swiggy, Blinkit, Zepto. All very early hours, as a result of which, from there, they begin their cross-docking to the dark stores. By 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock that same evening, you've got that same day stock, which was made in the AM, the early hours, live across all Q-commerce channels between 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. live across all retail counters and with the subscriber between 6 to 9 a.m. everyone's got their product in the house. So that's how the supply chain is designed.
It's a book of science and art.
It's a book of science, I'd say it's a book of discipline and it's a book of hard work. This requires a lot of hard work, man. It's design thinking also.
तो 3-4 बजे तक की ब्रेड बन जाती हैं, वहाँ से आपके जिनको रिटेल के पास जाना है रिटेलर के पास जा रहे हैं, जो SaaS वाले हैं आपके सब्सक्रिप्शन वो राइडर लेके सीधा घर में भेज देता है. सेम राइडर्स सामान पकड़ के वेयर हाउसेज में भी
रिटेलर
स्विगी के
स्विगी में ट्रक जाती है.
स्विगी में ट्रक जाती है. और हर ये डिमांड कैसे हो रही है? लाइक आप 15 करोड़ गए, मतलब जनवरी 24 कितना था, कितना बताया आपने? 6.5 करोड़ बताया कुछ. 6.5 से 15 इज लाइक 2.5 times.
नो, जनवरी में 3 पे था.
3 से 15 5x आप ग्रो चुके हो विद इन लाइक स्पैन ऑफ 8 months. इन्वेंटरी मैनेजमेंट कैसे हो रही है इसकी? मतलब वो पर डे बेसिस में प्रोजेक्शन हो रहे हैं, पर मंथ कैसे करोगे? आपका अगले महीने शायद 20 करोड़ हो जाएगा.
नहीं हो रहा है ना, वही तो तकलीफ आ रही है, राइट? तो हमको बफर लेके चलना पड़ता है, बार बार फटता रहता है. बट
ज्यादा बनाते हो.
द गुड पार्ट इज, राइट, यू रिमेंबर माय स्टोरी, राइट? मैं कैसे चालू किया. वही सप्लायर्स थे मेरे वो टाइम, कुछ राइट. मैं बाइक पे जाके माल खरीदता था, मोहित खरीदता था बाइक पे. फिर मोहित बाइक से ऑटो में शिफ्ट हुआ. फिर ऑटो से मैं गाड़ी चलाता था, मोहित बैठता था, हम लोग पीछे डिक्की में लोड करते थे. फिर उसमें टेम्पो में शिफ्ट हुआ. टेम्पो से ट्रक में आए. अब ट्रक पूरी ट्रक ले रहे हैं. नाउ यू सी द जर्नी आई बिल्ट विद माय वेंडर पार्टनर, माय प्रोक्योरमेंट, राइट? ही नोज अगर विनय फोन कर रहा है रियल टाइम देना है, बिकॉज ये लड़का रहने वाला है. उसने मेरा पूरा साइकिल देखा है, लाइफ साइकिल, मैं कैसे स्केल किया हूँ, उसका प्रोडक्ट, उसका वॉल्यूम्स कितना बड़ा है. एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ विच मैं प्रोक्योरमेंट जब कर रहा हूँ, अब मैं रियल टाइम प्रोक्योरमेंट कर रहा हूँ. मेरे को सबके टैग पता है, लीड टाइम्स पता है, और मेरे पास थ्रेशोल्ड्स भी है बिजनेस में, कि जैसे ये RM PM का थ्रेशोल्ड हिट हो गया, मेरा ट्रिगर आ गया, मेरे पास लीड टाइम है, इट ऑलरेडी किक्स इन. इट हैज टू बी वर्कड ऑन एवरी डे, मैन. इट इज वर्कड ऑन एवरी डे. Not one day have I gone out of stock on any raw material and packing material. Since inception, I would say.
पर डे के बेसिस में हो रहा होता है.
पर डे के बेसिस पे हो रहा है. मैक्स वीक. एक ऑफ कोर्स लेके चलते हैं महीना ऐसा दिखना चाहिए.
मैन्युफैक्चर नहीं बोल रहे भाई, हमारे पास है ही नहीं, हम बना नहीं सकते इतना सप्लाई.
That's the next challenge, man. So you continuously have to build capacity with the manufacturer real time.
अरे डेटा आ कैसे रहा है? लाइक आपका डेटा बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, मोहित का डेटा बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, किसी ने टेक नहीं सीखा है, so you hire for this expertise.
No, I think you build logical reasoning because you go through so many business cycles, right? You can ask the right questions. And when you ask the right questions, and if someone can compute that for you, right? And present it to you in a way that you make them understand this is the nature and journey of your business, right? Like you asked me, you must be cracking every month, right? But you put that and you simplify what cracking means and how one line item impacts everything, right? Because if any one line item also cracks, right, they're not so independent of each other, they're dependent on each other. So even if one line item cracks, the whole business cracks because each line item is dependent on the other, right?
Yeah.
But if you can explain to the team that you start building out the logical reasoning as to why you're doing what you're doing, to give you a data set that can have logic to it, I think that's where the unlock happens. Right? So for me, a lot of this building of the business has happened because of that as a mind shift. Because I'm building logical reasoning day and night. Right? I'm not shying away from asking anybody any question till it helps me close the loop. Right? So once the loop is closed, I know that it's 360 thought of. Right? And then you go into the next phase of evolution, where you start building this and you start becoming even better than yesterday in terms of the right kind of questions. Yeah.
Zepto, Swiggy, Blinkit, quick commerce, I think crazy value creation for
massive. Gives you a level playing field, then let the best product win. Right? It helps you. And I treat every of these pods, right, as my retail counters. My retail, but broadly at 1,700 to 2,000 retail counters. But
between modern and general.
Between modern and general, correct. Having said that, I treat my pod as my retailer, right? And I look at it from a data set in terms of availability at 7 a.m., 9 a.m., 12 p.m., 5 p.m., 7 p.m., 9 p.m. As to which product is going out of stock, which product is in stock, how does demand forecasting now translate into next day. Tell your team that so that they can place the order with the manufacturing with that data set. Look at seasonality, look at weekends, look at past trends, plug that in. Now you have a robust system which is working. So then your failure rate, right, or your hit miss is only 10% delta.
क्रेजी. आपकी तो शीटें होंगी, हर दिन देख
Oh,
रहे
it's
होगे, है ना?
crazy. Unlimited sheets. But उसका भी एक summary होके आता है.
हाँ, एक
But it's a lot.
एक master dashboard of
Yeah,
metrics.
there's a master dashboard of metrics. But there are like hundreds of sheets that give that single truth.
Of course. Now that I think of it, आपने पैसा कम ही रेस किया है, तो it's like बट डिज़ाइन ही कर रहे हो आप, है ना? मतलब कि अगर 180 ARR की कंपनी है, मतलब आई एम अज्यूमिंग हाइपोथेटिकली 600-700 करोड़ वैल्यूएशन होगी, तो 3 मिलियन 2 मिलियन तो आप मतलब बहुत ही दे नहीं रहे हो अपनी इक्विटी किसी को.
We build bootstrap, man. I like I said, मैं अभी भी in my head मैं अभी भी garage में हूँ. Right.
Precious.
And more than equity, right? It's you got to build with a little bit of capital efficiency. So we broadly raised what 32 crores in our journey. More than half of it we still have. Right. So we got that 180 unlocked because we built frugally. Because I never saw it back then. Right. I never had it back then.
Banya Brain is still on.
Sorry.
Banya Brain is still on.
Yeah, but it's got a twist of the new age startup thinking.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Banya Brain plus funding.
Yeah.
It's got a twist. आ रहा है.
It has to have that twist today, right? Like you have to have those operating metrics in place and burn for the right line item. Right? It's valuable. Someone else's money, like again dad said, ले रहा है तो देना, उड़ा मत देना. Right? So उड़ा नहीं रहा हूँ, तरीके से कर रहा हूँ.
इंडियन इनसाइट पे तो थोड़े कंज्यूमर इनसाइट्स क्या हैं अभी जो आप बता रहे हो, आप लाइन आइटम्स अगर ऐसे देख रहे हो, यू कैन प्रॉब्ली सी 65 सिटीज़ में क्या हो रहा है हेल्थ वाइज, प्रोटीन वाइज. व्हाट आर योर इनसाइट? लाइक इंडियन ऑडियंस कैसे बदली है? आप तो 8 साल का विजन है आपके पास, बट क्या हो रहा है इंडिया में अभी?
I think a lot of internet unlock in terms of a lot of people coming and making protein mainstream. I think that's been a massive one, right? And now that's also come from a global phenomena which existed 2-3 years before India got into this wave. But everyone now being aware of protein as a very important macro. Of course, the way they look at it is very binary, right? Grams of protein and इसमें protein है, इसमें protein नहीं है. But technically, that's a very wrong way of looking at it, right? A product or an ingredient or a substance is called high protein if it has 20% protein in it. Anything lesser than that is not high protein. I see a lot of people saying, I eat 100 grams of this product and hey, guess what? I'm getting 10 grams of protein. But that's not high protein, right? High protein is if you got 20 grams in that, right? What I don't like about the ecosystem today, and of course I'll then also tell you how this wave is actually coming in, there's a lot of false claims, man, on packaging. I would never fuck with the consumer. I don't think I want to build the business on those ethics. Come and loosely say low sugar because I feel it's low sugar. I call it low fat because I think it's low fat. I call it high protein because it's got 10 grams of protein. No, there are guidebooks, there are FSSAI guidelines as to why you can call what, right? And there are ratios defined. Please follow those.
तो उसका वो क्या है? Like apart from रेवंत exposing them, क्या हो रहा है? मतलब कुछ repercussion नहीं है क्या इनका?
नहीं है. That's the problem. And I think Revant's doing a phenomenal job. He's exposing them. And you know what? How many people will someone influence? Yeah? You got to sometimes police yourself. And then, of course, it's your choice. You want to build for scale or you want to build for value? Right? Revenue कर लेंगे. But the fundamentals are like, I think, shattered. Yeah. Where are the ethics? No, don't fuck with the consumer. I'd never fuck with the consumer. I think he's precious.
So the protein wave, content wave is real.
So the protein wave is real. The content wave is enabling this protein wave.
Age-wise, right? Region-wise.
Age-wise, region-wise. It's a massive unlock. Look at that, man. Amul's gone mainstream. Such mainstream brands.
Amul protein.
Amul's gone into protein. And across, unlocked so many products, right? It can't get more mainstream than that. And it's here to stay. And it's an essential macro. I think the government's doing a great job also in terms of promoting this product as a macro. The protein is an important macro. But in the pursuit of protein, people are forgetting the most essential ingredient, which is fiber. Because it's not so sexy. Right? But I think my life has changed because of increasing fiber consumption. And I think that's the next wave.
Fiber?
Yeah, because hey, sure, I want to look bulky and I want to look fit and I want to look slim and I want to look sexy and I want to have a lean structure. But hey, guess what? I wake up in the morning and I can't take a dump.
Yeah.
All of that goes suddenly I'm uncomfortable, right?
तो आप क्या स्टडी कैसे करते हो? लाइक ये इनसाइट कैसे आ रही है आपको? प्रोडक्ट देख के आ रहा है कि आप यूएस देख रहे हो या आप फर्स्ट फंडामेंटल देख रहे हो? भाई प्रोटीन करे जा रहे हो, फाइबर नहीं खा रहे हो, कैसा है? लाइक आपका वे ऑफ स्टडिंग क्या है?
I mean, first level, before I double click, right? What are you saying? If I ask you and if I start studying you and if I spend some more time with you, I speak to my customers every day, at least 5-10 every day. Right? What are they saying? Right? What is their problem? And if you, again, you have to ask them the right questions, but you tend to ask the right questions over time, right? These are the guys who are giving you the answer, man. When
Raw
you walk
customer
down the
feedback.
street and you speak to your friend circles and you speak to random strangers and ask them what's the problem statement in their life when it comes to health, that's where the real unlock is. Because then you're solving for the consumer. You're giving the consumer what he wants. And you're not making because you like to make it. You're making because he wants it. Right? And that's where my design thinking in terms of product choices comes.
डिज़ाइन थिंकिंग। प्रोडक्ट के बारे में तो आपने ब्राउन ब्रेड बोल के मुंह बनाया था स्टार्टिंग में कि बोलते हैं बस एक ये है, वाइट ब्रेड हो गई, ब्राउन ब्रेड हो गई। थोड़ा समझाओ कि मतलब हाउ इज़ हेल्थ फैक्ट्रीज ब्रेड डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दीज ब्रेड्स एग्जैक्टली? क्या मुझे यहाँ मिल रहा है जो यहाँ पे नहीं है?
So we build world class. Okay. Ingredient to ingredient I win.
हाँ।
Right? If you check ingredient panel, we're very clean. We have no
ग्लोबल नहीं गया ना अभी तक? क्या पता?
नहीं यार, जाएंगे एक दिन जाएंगे, but we build our products very clean, right? So from an ingredient to ingredient story we win, from a macronutrient profile to nutrient profile we win, right? Versus competition, and of course from a taste to taste we win. At the end of the day, taste is paramount.
इंडिया में तो बहुत ज़्यादा।
Yeah, I think globally.
अच्छा ऐसा है?
I mean, if it's not tasting good, no one's having it. Right? After a point, like repeatability goes down. So we build for taste, from a consumer lens, but at the back end we build for ingredient and nutrition. Right? So we get that right blend between taste, texture, and nutrition, and that's how we've been building our products. The type of fats that we use, to the kind and the amount of fiber that we have in our products, to the amount of protein that's coming. From the sourcing of our ingredient story and working with world-class suppliers, at the same time even understanding the crop cycles in India and working straight with the farmers and the mills. That's been our learning curve in terms of what are qualitative ingredients, how they need to be incorporated, and as a result to which how will it impact your life, versus saying, here is what I think it is, here is a good product, buy it, right? And if you look and compare the two things, you'll see a massive difference, ingredient to ingredient and macronutrient to macronutrient. So that's where we're winning.
क्या देखना चाहिए? लाइक लेबल अगर मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, मेरे पास वाइट ब्रेड है एक कंपनी की, एक ब्राउन ब्रेड है, तो मेरे पास हेल्थ फैक्ट्री की ब्रेड है। मेरे को इंग्रेडिएंट अगर मुझे नहीं पता हेल्थ फैक्ट्री कोई ब्रांड है, 3 मैंने ब्रांड पकड़े हैं, वाइट, ब्राउन और हेल्थ फैक्ट्री का ब्रेड, क्या देखूँ मैं?
A white bread will start with maida. A brown bread will also start with maida. Or a brown bread in some cases will start with whole wheat and then with maida. So our first line item is Chakki fresh atta, 100% whole wheat, right? And we use Chakki fresh atta, जो आपकी रोटी में बनता है, ना कि आपकी तंदूरी रोटी में है जो आपको आपके रेस्टोरेंट में मिलता है। ये Chakki fresh atta, it's got coarse fiber in it, right? So that's the first line item. The second line item I would say that you need to look out for is the type of fat, right? A lot of palm fat. We were also using seed oils. We were using sunflower oil. And now we moved to rice bran. So we've eliminated those fat as a quotient. In our certain products, we use even olive oil, right? So that we're using better fat. The type of fiber. So we use bran, prebiotics in our products. You won't find them there. So in the white, it will be missing.
क्योंकि महंगा होता है?
महंगा होता है. At the same time, product crack करने में difficulties आ जाती है. To get the right shape, size, texture, feel, and that too over 5 days and studying that shelf life analysis, the product starts cracking, right? And we build that product science out and then we get that right. So ingredients, ingredient wise, if you have white, brown, and this, you will see brown is nothing but white plus a little bit of whole wheat plus color.
ये वही है ना, ब्राउन बस बोल देते हैं कि 1% कुछ डाल देते हैं, मल्टीग्रेन मतलब 1% मल्टीग्रेन हो जाता है.
That's the next thing. I'm glad you're bringing this up, man. I'm getting this opportunity to speak to an audience where how people use these terms so loosely FSSAI suggests that if you don't have 20% grains in your bread, you cannot call it multigrain. Turn to the back of the packs and you'll see 6% and 4%. Those are gimmicks. That's not a multigrain bread as per the government laws. Milk bread is 6. If you have 6% milk solids in your product, you can call it milk bread. Otherwise, it doesn't qualify for it being a milk bread. People use anywhere between 0.2 to 0.7%.
Scam hai ye.
It's a scam, right? But guess what they get? A price point, which is more consumer attractive, right? That's how they win, right? And that's how they've been penetrating. But ethically, I don't think it's right. So these are mythbusters, man. Those aren't multigrains.
ब्रेड में इंग्रेडिएंट्स अगर मैं मैदा पढ़ रहा हूँ तो भागूँ, पाम ऑयल पढ़ रहा हूँ तो भाग जाऊँ. ये क्या मतलब सबसे खतरनाक आइटम्स क्या हैं जो भाग जाऊँ मैं देख के? मैदा is one for me personally. Palm oil, sure.
Yeah, I'd say maida, palm oil, and then you'd go to the INS numbers and the E numbers, right? And where you see colors. Colors is a big play, right? And we've seen a lot of brands copy us, then launch their zero maida bread. But every zero maida bread that I'm seeing today has colors.
तो जीरो मैदा कर दिया बट कलर डाल रहे हैं.
मतलब क्या है, राइट? मैं बिकॉज आपकी रोटी का कलर नहीं आ रहा है, मेरी ब्रेड आपकी रोटी के कलर से मैच कर रही है, उसकी नहीं कर रही है, उसकी अभी भी वाइट ब्रेड है. उसमें कलर डाल के आप उसको ब्राउन कर रहे हो एंड यू आर यूजिंग अ डिफरेंट ग्रेड ऑफ आटा व्हिच डजंट हैव द फाइबर एंड यू आर एडिंग कलर टू मिमिक इट एंड कॉल इट जीरो मैदा. To me, sure you qualify, but are you doing the right thing is the question. So yeah.
प्राइसिंग और मार्जिन बात करें तो एक कितने की आती है वाइट ब्रेड? 20-25 रुपए की.
I mean size to size कंपेयर करो तो 40 रुपए की आती है.
40 रुपए की आती है.
Anywhere between 40 to 45.
ठीक है, 40 रुपए की वाइट ब्रेड. ब्राउन ब्रेड 50 रुपए.
50 से 55.
50 से 55. एंड आपकी आती है
65.
65. इतना क्रेजी फर्क भी नहीं है.
या
20-30 रुपए का ही फर्क है. एंड जितना मैंने स्टडी किया है, पढ़ा है बाकी ब्रेड कंपनी के बारे में, लेस देन 10% मार्जिन टाइप बिजनेस है ये. क्या वो स्केल पे आता है? ऐसा है? सच है? नहीं है? क्या है?
You're saying last line item EBITDA?
हाँ.
Yeah, 10% is what others have been able to unlock. I think we'll be able to unlock a little better than that.
बट किसी मेजर खर्चे बात करें, अगर मार्जिन को स्प्लिट करें, 100 रुपीज़ को स्प्लिट करें तो क्या होता है? कॉग्स वुड बी 35 रुपीज़ टाइप्स.
No, cogs would be for us. It's a higher cog, so in a range of.
नहीं वाइट ब्रेड के लिए पूछ रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
30. मैं तो कंपेयर करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. तो आप उनके लिए 35 है वाइट ब्रेड के लिए. आपके लिए कितना होगा?
Around 50.
यही डिफरेंस है ना प्रोडक्ट फर्स्ट कंपनी में वर्सेस मार्केटिंग में. वो 15% मार्केटिंग में जा रहा होगा और कहाँ जा रहा होगा?
उसका प्रिजर्वेटिव 150 रुपए का आता है. मेरा प्रिजर्वेटिव सिस्टम एंड द काइंड ऑफ साइंस दैट वी आर बिल्डिंग एंड द इंग्रेडिएंट चॉइसेस बिकॉज टू बिल्ड प्रिजर्वेशन 450 का आता है. इधर ही ये डेल्टा आ गया.
अगेन मेरा नेचुरल क्वेश्चन ये आ रहा है कि अगर मैं ब्रिटानिया हूँ या मैं बिम्बो एंड ऑल दैट, मेरे पास इतना पैसा है दुनिया भर का, मैं कर रहा हूँ कि नहीं कर रहा हूँ सब R&D?
You're doing the R&D. You're doing the R&D, but also you're building association, which is a legacy association, right?
क्या राइट टू विन है आपके पास? मतलब लेट्स अज्यूम आप ही आप बिम्बो के CEO ऑफ इनोवेशन, आपने देखा कि अरे विनय कोई कर रहा है 200 करोड़ रुपए, क्या है इसको हटाओ, इसको मतलब मार्केट से सफाई करो, ऐसे सोचोगे आप तो कि बनाओ एक नया, लाओ यूरोप से 10 लोग और बनाओ. क्यों नहीं बना पा रहे हैं? क्या है? व्हाट्स योर राइट टू विन अगेंस्ट देम?
My right to win is one product. Second, I would say my right to win is the complex supply chain that we're cracking in terms of ingredient sourcing. I have control over every ingredient that is going into every plant, and it's all being monitored by us versus working at a plant and saying that आपके पास क्या है, आप मेरे को bread बना के दे दो, right? That's what a lot of people do. Take the ingredients that are available at contract manufacturers and work with them and get a product out. We control the entire supply chain there. The third thing is the quick commerce wave that we've been able to build and the affinity of the consumer trying new age products and understanding that difference between nutrition to nutrition. That's where we're winning. Ingredient to ingredient, like I told you, nutrition to nutrition, and of course taste being paramount.
Technically you need to grow 6x to be the biggest bread wala, correct?
Yeah.
1200 करोड़ करना पड़ेगा.
I mean, हाँ कर लूँगा.
कितने साल में कर लोगे? 3 साल?
You know, that's where I think I was asked this question, right?
By an investor?
No, not by an investor, just because people thought I'd become crazy and I'd become a lunatic in the pursuit of trying to build something, right? Because of like I said, you know, you got to work hard, and it drives you crazy after a point because it makes you insane. It becomes borderline delusional as to you start tipping into a zone where it's flow for me, it's a flow state for me, but for someone who's observing me is saying you're going crazy, right? And when I was asked this question, when do you want to bake, how long do you think? I don't think it's timing is as important to me in this journey. Of course, it's an integral part, but the outcome will happen with the choice of decisions that will come in and the kind of product thinking that will come in. This as a byproduct, what you asked me, I think should be happening in the next 3 to 5 years. This will be a byproduct, and this will be a lot of minds coming together, a lot of thinking, and it'll happen.
अभी करंट मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी क्या है, क्या कर रहे हो मार्केटिंग में, चैनल्स में?
पहले तो ये एलिमिनेट करने की
branding
कोशिश
कराना
कर रहे हैं
क्या एलिमिनेट करने की कोशिश?
कि आप मुझे ब्रेड फैक्ट्री बुलाना बंद करो,
हाँ,
हेल्दी
मैंने नहीं बुलाया, हाँ।
हेल्दी फैक्ट्री भी बहुत बंद कर दो. इट्स द हेल्थ फैक्ट्री, राइट? सो वी आर एस्टैब्लिशिंग दैट ब्रांड नेम आउट. एंड नाउ इवन इफ यू सी आवर पैकेजिंग, राइट, पहले छोटा सा ऊपर लोगो होता था, अभी लेफ्ट साइड पूरा पोर्शन पैनल लेके हेल्थ फैक्ट्री बुला रहे द हेल्थ फैक्ट्री. सो वी चेंज डिज़ाइन, पैकेजिंग डिज़ाइन. We've also started communicating that in the outside world with the narrative of all for health, health for all, right? Our product choices.
ये टैगलाइन कब आपने निकलवाई?
Abhi just with the new branding exercise that we did, right? The design thinking of product is happening as to not for 1% of India, but we're building products for India, right?
भारत के बारे में.
Right. So the whole spectrum, it's got its niche where it wants its niche. It's got its curated gourmet as a segment, and it's got its mass segment with a mass segment for India, right? Which is why all for health, health for all. Right? We can cut through the entire ecosystem. So this is the kind of positioning that we're establishing right now, and we're taking to market.
एंड मार्केटिंग स्पेंड वाइज किधर पैसे जा रहे हैं, किस चैनल में पैसे खर्च कर रहे हो? परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग, इन्फ्लुएंस मार्केटिंग?
So there's performance
billboards,
marketing which is
outdoor.
happening on app with the Swiggy, Zepto, Blinkits. We spend on Meta and Google, which is YouTube.
Meta YouTube goes to Zepto, Swiggy, or Meta YouTube
Combination,
just awareness?
right? So both, right? That's called CPAS, the CPAS campaign. So Meta to channel partner and Meta to just Meta, right? Just for awareness branding, right? To build awareness, consideration, and then of course purchase. The other line item is a little bit of influencer marketing, on ground activations, right? Building tangibility, staying close to the consumer, building that connect with the consumer, right? Is what we do. A lot of sampling as an activity, which enables more houses to try the product.
Historically, you have not spent a lot of money on marketing.
Yeah.
Na? Ab jaake I think ab
Yes, because I think now there's meat in building that vertical.
So let's say you spend 100 rupees a year. उस पे स्प्लिट कैसे होता है? लाइक परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग में 20 रुपए जा रहे हैं, इन्फ्लुएंसर में 10 जा रहे हैं, जेप्टो स्विगी में 30 जा रहे हैं, चैनल
ब्रॉड लेवल इफ आई टेल यू 70% परफॉर्मेंस में जाता है, which will be a line item of all things purchase.
रॉस डिलीट दिखता है आपको, हाँ.
And 30% awareness branding में जा रहा है. However, changing that mix as we speak, right? The idea is to not kill. It's good to do performance marketing, but reduce performance and start building brand, right? So finding that right balance between
and
branding.
Influencer को आप किधर डालते हो? ब्रांडिंग में डालते हो? Like branding में डालते हो. And how do you see content economy, influencer economy right now as a channel of communicating?
I think it's insane, right? Like there's so much relatability because who follows brand pages? Very few people follow brand pages. I don't follow any brand page. I follow people. I follow stories. I follow journeys. I follow inspiration, right? And all that comes from influencer pages, right? I build connectivity, and I get close, and I get a human face to that. So I think it's amazing the way it's picking up. I think one brand which has done a phenomenal job is The Whole Truth. They've done a very good job. Yeah. Shashank has done a phenomenal job with The Whole Truth and the awareness piece.
आप कब बना रहे हो content?
I've already begun.
True, but करना चाहिए आपको भी.
Yeah.
शशांक I think is a master. मतलब मेरे को तो CMO ज़्यादा लगते हैं वो.
Yeah.
CMO plus CEO दोनों रोल एक साथ कर रहे हैं. But I agree, Whole Truth Foods with their content marketing. अभी उन्होंने recently ad भी निकाला था, the song ad and all of that. Got it. And challenges में क्या है अभी? Biggest challenges apart from Bread Factory बुला रहे हैं आपको लोग?
Was the biggest challenge in the business you're saying? Is the
And
time
the
to build
industry.
the
Both.
right kind of distribution now. That's
जो इन्वेंट्री और वो सब की बात करते हैं हम.
and last mile, right? Getting to more
But
counters.
that's a constant thing, no? वो तो बढ़ता ही रहेगा.
Correct, right? So that's an ongoing challenge, right? How do you solve for the challenges? By building the right kind of teams, right? Building the right kind of teams that will give you the right kind of information for product thinking again. Maybe you need next in line the next PMF, right? So that as a journey has begun for us. And building the right kind of team, I think, is the most important and crucial.
How do you see hiring?
Very binary actually.
या तो आएगा या तो नहीं आएगा, या तो लूंगा नहीं तो. If it's hell yes or it's a no.
Yeah, and hell yes is also very binary, right? Like, I'm looking at attitude, personality, skill set. I wouldn't give that much weightage. Because will I need. खड़ा रहेगा कि नहीं? जब डूब रहे हैं खड़ा रहेगा, मैं खड़ा हूँ, मेरे साथ खड़ा रहेगा. That's how I'm looking at the guy, right? I'm looking at the character. I'm looking at a personality who can say that, hey, we'll cut through, right? Versus saying, I know this and I'll follow a system. You need those guys, right? But at least when I'm building the key men of the organization, I'm looking at guys who are so flexible that they can beat the system, right? And all that it takes is 6 months, right? And then you can crack the system. So I look at hiring very like that, very binary for me, right? So if attitude check mark, ability and willingness to do check mark, I think the guys are yes.
इंडस्ट्री नॉलेज ट्रेनिंग सब दो दोगे आप, दे दो, ऐसा है?
हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत चेक कर लेते, इतना एम्फेसिस मैं तो नहीं देता हूँ. मेरे पास कहाँ था.
सीनियर रोल तब देखते होगे ना एक्सपीरियंस.
यस, 100% मैच भी नहीं होगा तो भी नो प्रॉब्लम.
कल्चर वाइज जैसे क्या चीज़ें होती है जो बार बार बोलते रहते हो?
Fuck up, no problem. Fail fast, right? We're around, right? Because I think you can't get scared and not execute, right? Like I told you, I'm obsessed with execution, right? Not delusionally, systematically, right? But then when you've come to a concrete answer, don't contemplate, act, right? And act as if there's no tomorrow, right? Just go at it. Ask everyone to dream, man. All that I try to enable is just dream. It doesn't cost. At least think large. Think large of whatever version you want to be, not only at the business, even outside the business. And take this and extend this to every walk of life, right? Even with your friends, even with the activities you're doing. For example, you're playing table tennis, at least think I want to be the best. That doesn't stop you, right? Versus being very limited in the approach. So I'm always encouraging large thinking. That doesn't cost, right? And show up.
केस स्टडी मतलब आप स्टडी करते हो? ब्रिटानिया क्या करता है, हार्वेस्ट गोल्ड क्या करता है?
I'm aware, but I don't get reactive. I'm not impulsive there. It's good to know. But you got to build your own.
क्या सही किया इन लोगों ने?
क्या सही किया है उन्होंने? एक तो nothing I've realized ना, एक समय एक ऐसी चीज है जो कोई खरीद नहीं सकता.
सही कह रहे हो.
तो उनके पास उन्होंने समय लगाया. उन्होंने 20 साल, 30 साल, 40 साल तक है, right? Brands are built not with money. Brands are also built with time.
बिल्कुल सही बात है.
Right? So they've taken that time in the market, right? So I think they've got that. Anyway, coming back to your question as to what they've done correctly, right? Their sales and distribution, while in its presence format, is great. Even their economics behind S&D is very strong.
S&D is?
Sales and distribution, right? Is very strong. It's viable. If we go to build that out at that pace right now, it may not be as viable. It'll be more expensive. But they've taken that time to get it to viable sales and distribution as a metric and as a percentage so that it makes P&L sense. So I think they've done that phenomenally well. I see a lot of these guys now build a lot of IT infrastructure, which we are also building. So that's something that we're learning and taking from them. So I think broadly just these things, man.
What about Bimbo?
I think they've got very, very strong IT and distribution. They built their network like amazingly well, man. All tech-driven distribution. Something to get inspired by. Super stuff.
मतलब एक बार आपका पीएमएफ फिट हो जाता है, बेस सेट हो जाता है, जो कि आप अभी स्टेज पे हो, उसके बाद इट्स अबाउट दिस ओनली ना कि मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कर रहे हो, जो भी कर रहे हो वो एकदम सही तरीके से स्केल होना चाहिए, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नेटवर्क बढ़ाते जाओ, प्रोडक्ट्स बढ़ाते जाओ. नाउ इट्स अबाउट लाइक फंडामेंटल बिजनेस, एमबीए धंधा, मतलब ये 1 2 3 4 4 मेट्रिक है, इसको बढ़ाओ.
Innovation across all these line items so that you become better than the rest. Right? Because
दैट्स एक्स्ट्रा डेल्टा, एक्स्ट्रा एज
that's the delta.
हाँ. और वो तो आपको हर 2 साल में करना ही पड़ेगा, बिकॉज कोई ना कोई आप जो आज कर रहे हो 2 साल में कॉपी करेगा, फिर आपको कुछ नया करना है, फिर आपको कुछ करना है.
Yeah, but it comes to me as simply as you said it. Right? How do you beat the best? You just become better. Right? So for me, it's just fundamental thinking. Right? Like when someone tells me वो आ जाएगा तो तेरा प्रोडक्ट ले आया तो I said उससे बेटर बनाना. And then like suddenly you have no answer. Right? फिर उससे बेटर आया तो उससे बेटर बनाना. Right?
एंड फंडिंग के जर्नी से क्या सीखा आपने? पैसे उठाना, बेचना, खुद की स्टोरी सेल करना.
I think that's important, right? I've never had a
you're answerable to someone also.
Yeah, you're answerable to someone, right? And I think that's
Keeps you in check also in a way.
it keeps you in check, and I think that's a fundamental responsibility. किसी से लिया है, right? तो not only I look at it very fundamentally, right? That किसी से लिया है पैसा, उसको जवाब देना, उड़ाना मत, right? So we report like I think the gap usually that arises is when people don't communicate, right? I think the line needs to be open. Communication as a channel needs to be there. Transparency needs to come out when someone is betting on you. Don't keep them in the dark. Don't reverse build numbers to hide something. If you're fucking up, you're fucking up, man. No one can change that away, or no one can take that away, right? Nothing can be done what's done already done, right? So you got to build and communicate transparently so that the ecosystem is aware. From a story standpoint, I use very honestly, I've never been the filtered guy even when speaking to my investors. I've been very candid. This is the journey, this is how I'm thinking, this is what product means to me, this is what distribution means to me, and this is what
आप सुना देते हो इन्वेस्टर को? वो अगर बोलेंगे भाई अगले 2 महीने में 15 को 25 करो, पैसे खर्च करो, हमसे और ले लो चाहिए.
हाँ, नहीं होता है वो. Yeah, I mean, I'll do a call out. Like I wouldn't shy away because sure you're answerable, but you're also answerable to yourself, right? And I don't want to shortchange that. I don't want this journey to make me a person I'm not.
अब पहले से ऐसे थे 25-26 में कि विद टाइम आता है?
No, I think I've always been like that, right? Because the idea is that, yeah, don't make me someone who I'm not, right? Enable. If you can enable and fuel that with the right kind of instruments, because I'm all up for learning, man. I'm all up for growth in every line item of my life.
जब शार्क टैंक में आपको फंडिंग में आपको बुरा लगा था?
Yeah, man.
Why do you think they did not invest, and why do you think the rest of the guys just after that did?
So they took a stab at it and they wanted to discuss valuation, the part of which is not there on TV. But we didn't want to go down that route. We were very clear this is what it is, and we never built that extra room for saying इतने % का इतना % देंगे and deal close करके आएंगे. Nor did we go on it from just a marketing standpoint. A lot of people are here today say we're going on Shark Tank. हाँ बोल के आ जाएंगे, कुछ भी होगा तो बाद में देखा जाएगा, right? We never went to it with that narrative. As a result to which I was very confident यार ये तो हो जाएगा. And the behind the scenes team were also like, I think you'll get funded, right? It didn't happen. On account of it took us 5 years to get to this mark, right? On account of they asked me तू 3 साल में कितना बड़ा बनाएगा, right? And I said मैं 3 साल के बारे में बात नहीं करता, 10 के बारे में बात करता, क्योंकि ब्रांड बनाने में 3 नहीं लगेंगे, 10 साल लगेंगे, right? And that became a meme-worthy moment for me on the internet. People started talking about it, but it actually takes that time, right? Having said that, they were like, the guy who's just unlocked from 10 lakhs to 35 lakhs is also saying, I want to go and change the world. Right? So they were like, not for us today. And Piyush was just there. He was just about to put in the money. And it just didn't happen. But I'd love to reach out, and I hope they can hear us speak and say that I had a great time with them, man. I had a great time.
Nice. And Peak
It gave me a lot of confidence. I shat when I went on stage.
Yeah?
I shat. I was cold. I couldn't feel. I was like numb.
I had the privilege of doing a podcast with Harsh Mariwala sir also. Few months ago. तो उनकी स्टोरी से निकाला था मैंने कि उन्होंने मुझे बताया था 98 में वो पैराशूट उनका अच्छा चल रहा था। यूनिलीवर आता है और उनको बोलता है मैं निकाल रहा हूँ निहार ऑयल,
हाँ
बेच दे नहीं तो मैं ख़त्म कर दूंगा। 97 to 2002, हाँ ये 5 साल में मैंने पूछा आपने क्या किया, फटी थी कि नहीं फटी थी, उन्होंने बोला फटी तो थी, यूनिलीवर है, हम तो हैं बच्चे। 98, 99, 2000 इन्होंने अपने प्रॉफिट मार्जिन कम करे, मार्केटिंग स्पेंड बढ़ाया, फाइट करने की कोशिश करी, 3-4 साल स्ट्रेस में रहे, 2002 में निहार खरीद लिया।
वाओ
यूनिलीवर का
वाओ
तेल का बिजनेस। तो
वाओ
काफी क्रेजी स्टोरी लगती है मुझे।
लेजेंड्स हैं ना,
हाँ
these guys are legends man.
या सो आई एम होपिंग कि आप खरीद लो मॉडर्न प्लस एचजी। तो मजा आएगा। पान इंडिया में अंदर रहना चाहिए और क्या।
100%.
डन है। थैंक यू वेरी मच ब्रो।
Thank
हैड ग्रेट कॉन्वर्सेशन, काफी कुछ सीखने को मिला। आई होप आपको मजा आया।
Yeah, I had a great time man.
थैंक यू ब्रो। अगर आपको ये बिजनेस पॉडकास्ट पसंद आया तो आपको आई बटन पे क्लिक करके हमारी प्लेलिस्ट देखनी चाहिए, जहाँ पे हम बहुत सारे फाउंडर्स को बुलाते हैं अलग अलग इंडस्ट्री से और उनसे बात करते हैं एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के बारे में और उन्होंने कैसे स्टार्ट किया। इससे आप सीख के आप भी कल खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सकते हो। सो आई बटन पे क्लिक करके वो प्लेलिस्ट जरूर देखना।